Flora, hurry up now. Oh, sit down. Let me have breakfast now.
She has eaten.
Flora, we need to talk. It's important.
Not to worry, I'm here now. Eat your food first.
When I come. Flora, what is this now?
Which one is what is this?
What rubbish is this, Flora?
It's food.
Are you indirectly calling me a pigeon? Flora, look at what you're serving me for breakfast. Gari and granite and sugar. For breakfast, how? Am I a pigeon? Why are you doing this to me? What have I done to deserve this?
You don't give me 4,000 naira for breakfast and expect an intercontinental dish. It doesn't work that way. My friend, Halele, go to school.
Why are you doing this to me? What have I done to deserve this? I need an answer. Give me a response. What have I done to deserve this? Did I not do everything I was asked to do when I came to marry you? Did I not marry you well? Why are you treating me like this? You are giving me gari and granite to have for breakfast. Why are you so wicked? Eh? Why are you doing this to me?
That question should be addressed to you. I should be the one asking you that question. I should be the one asking that question. Why did I marry such an unfortunate husband?
Me unfortunate?
Oh yes.
Flora, me unfortunate?
Just one child. Just one child. Beauty and myself. You cannot feed us. You cannot provide for us. Because you have one tiny problem in your business. You want to starve us to death. Do you know how many other problems other men have in their businesses? Yet they provide for their families. Imagine if we had a battalion of people in this house. These days, the only thing you are good at is to beg for money and demand for sex at night.
God will punish you.
Finish me with sex.
God will punish you.
Poor man and sex.
God will punish you. Flora, God will punish you. Why am I in this condition? Did you not put me in this condition? I used to control my father's billions. But look at me now. A whole prince. I command royalty. But look at me. A shadow of myself because of you. Because I didn't listen to my parents. And you're here talking back at me. Giving me gari and granite to take for breakfast. God will punish you.
I beg you.
Okay.
Let me hear a word. Used to control billions. I get am before no be property. You see, now I'm beginning to understand that phrase. No condition is permanent. It's beginning to make sense to me now. You thought it was in the past. You thought it was those days you would toss me around like a furniture. You would talk to me anyhow as if I'm your slave. Hey, things have changed though. Things have changed. And you know what? Very soon, I will leave you and bounce. I will leave you and go and find something to do with my life because I can't stay here and suffer with you.
What else can you do? Of course now, what else can you do? Follow those rich men that give you money. What else? But let me tell you something. Whatever you do today echoes in the afterlife.
Don't play with it.
Hey babe, my parents will soon be here.
Okay. By the way, your house is grand. It is lovely.
Yeah.
You guys are rich.
My parents have good taste.
Nepo baby.
Are you excited?
Of course I am.
Oh, great. Okay, I'll just wait for them. Oh. We have to stand now. Hi, Mom.
Good day, Your Majesty. Good day, my queen. Thank you.
Igwe, Dad, this is the woman I told you about. Mom? The woman I told you about. That's my father. Igwe Ofobuike, the king of this great kingdom. And that's his wife, my beautiful mother.
Your Majesty, my queen, I am excited to be here.
Right.
I look forward to being a member of this royal family.
Obviously. I know.
Young girl, stand up.
Stand up? That you did already. Oh, maybe he wants to, take a good look at you.
When you followed my son to this place, didn't he tell you were coming to a royal family?
Yes, of course I did.
Of course.
Yeah. That's why she's here.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Oh, he did? You're not afraid to dress the way you dress it? I am very sure he didn't tell you we're coming to nightclub that you're dressed so naked.
Naked? What do you mean, Dad?
Your Majesty, I see nothing wrong with what I'm wearing.
Absolutely.
Besides, it's 2026.
Will you keep quiet and listen? Look at this one. You walking here naked. God, is it that your mother did not train you? Do you have parents at all? What is wrong with girls of nowadays? You are going to meet the parents of the man that wants to marry you and you dressed naked like a common prostitute. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Mom, why are you saying this? Mom, why are you embarrassing me?
Will you shut up?
Shut up, Frank. Take this thing to the very spot you picked her up, push her out the car and come back to the palace. You, get out of the palace. Get out of my palace.
Dad, why are you embarrassing me? What do you mean?
Be the wife of my son.
At all.
Dad.
Imagine.
Take her away from me. Wait.
What is wrong with this boy? How?
Hey, wait. Where you going?
What?
Where you going?
And what sort of question is that? You heard your parents in there call me a prostitute and asked me to leave the palace. So that's exactly what I'm doing.
Wait. Come on now. It hasn't got into that. They asked you to leave. I didn't ask you to leave.
They said you can't marry me. So, what do you want me to do?
Babe,
What?
listen to me. Forget about my parents. They don't know what they're doing. Okay? Whether they like it or not, I am going to get married to you and they're going to watch me do that.
Frank.
However, I totally understand that you're upset. Passions are high. You need to just go home and relax, okay? I promise to sort everything out.
I mean, this is embarrassing.
Can I
Please.
drop you off?
Please, I just want to go home and calm my head. Please.
Talk to your son. I will not allow Frank to drag the name of this kingdom into mud. If he insists on that girl, I'll make sure I disown him.
Your Majesty, it has not gotten to that.
I'm serious.
Please calm down. I will talk to my son. Please.
Dad, what was that? Did you just ask the woman I want to marry to leave the palace? What disrespect, Dad! What disrespect! And Mom, You're not saying anything, right?
Frank, will you keep quiet? Is it your father the king you're talking to like that because of that shameless thing you call a wife to be?
Watch your mouth, mother.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
You heard me right.
You know you were bringing her to this palace and yet you allow her dress like that immoral thing and come to this place knowing fully well that we will not accept her.
Mom, listen and listen good. There's absolutely nothing wrong with the way she was dressed. Go to the streets of London. You're going to see women who occupy high positions in different companies dress that way in summer. The weather is hot, for crying out loud.
My dear, this is not the streets of London. This is the land of Umalo Kingdom. Listen, you see that girl? She will not step her foot into this kingdom again.
Mom,
because you're not going to marry her.
I'm going to disappoint you, I promise you that. Now listen to me. I like the way she's dressed. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. She's exposed. Okay? And listen, Mom, I am going to marry her whether or not you like it. I don't care how you feel.
Then count me out of that arrangement.
What did you say?
You heard me.
Frank, listen to me. The next time that girl comes to the palace, trust me, I'll make sure I disown you and strip you of everything royalty.
Father, you cannot do that to me. Because your father, my grandfather, did not do that to you. Mom, on whose side are you?
You heard your father. And you know that he doesn't say things except he meant them. So use your teeth. Count your teeth with your tongue.
Alright. We shall see. My love, I'm giving you my word. Don't bother about my parents. Okay? They're just wasting their time. Okay? I give you my word. I love you so much and I want to be with you. I don't care about my parents. Forget about them. And even if they don't support me, it's fine. We're going to move on without them. I'm going to marry you. I want to marry you.
Are you sure?
Of course.
But you just told me now that your father is threatening to strip you of everything. Your office, his company, your house. I mean, what would happen when he does that?
I can take care of that. Don't worry about my father. I know I have a lot in my custody. But then, even if he takes everything away, I'll just start up a new business. Life goes on. I want to make you happy. And I want to be happy. So my happiness comes first. Don't worry. Even if they don't offer their support, life goes on. I love you so much and I want to be with you. That's the most important thing in the world. Come here. Mwah.
Thank you. Thank you for fighting for us. I will do the same too.
You sure?
Of course.
Alright. Thank you. I love you.
My king, since our son has sworn to marry that girl, I am thinking maybe you should invite her, talk with her, explain to her. Let her know that we have a culture and tradition. Make her to understand so that she will not be dressing and showing her nakedness all the time and all that. And if she promises to change, you just allow them get married so that my son's mind will come back. Because the way he's talking to us these days shows that something is wrong with him.
I will do no such thing. Rather, she should be the one crawling to us, begging us to teach her our custom and tradition. You see why I insisted that our son married from this kingdom? If she is from this kingdom, she will not have been in that dress code of nakedness.
My king, please, do not bring up the issue of marrying from this kingdom because our sons have belonged to another already. Okay, you know what? I will call her and talk to her myself. But promise me that if she promises to change, that you will allow them marry. Please.
I have remained the same that I've always been. When I say something, I stay by it. It becomes law. If my son marries that girl, he will definitely regret it. I am not part of it. So it will not work.
My king, please.
I want to go and sleep.
Hello? Frankie? Frank, yes, listen. I just finished speaking with your father. I need you to send Flora to come and see me. I need to speak with her. Tomorrow. Yes, I do not need your presence. This is woman to woman. Please. Okay. I'll be expecting her. I don't want you to come with her. Frank, when I spoke to you on the phone to tell her to see me, I didn't ask you to come with her. Besides, you're supposed to be at work.
Mom, I have a question for you.
Yes.
What's wrong with coming to the palace with my wife? I mean, this is my palace, isn't it? And I followed my wife here. What's wrong with that? Do you have a problem with that?
Frank, I am totally disappointed in you. I am ashamed of you. Anyway, if you say you want to sit and hear what I want to tell her, go ahead and sit, no problem. Young lady, I called you here to discuss the way you dress. Listen, you cannot dress like a prostitute all the time. Look at what you're wearing. It's even worse than what you wore the last time you came to this palace that got the king and I angry. Don't you know that you're going to come to the palace? If you want to marry my son and be the queen of this land, you have to dress decently. It is not all about you. It is all about the kingdom and the entire royal household. You are going to be the princess wife for God's sake. How can you be dressing so indecently? What will people say? Now look at you. Look at the way you are dressed. Don't you know that they will address you the way you are dressed? Like just a common prostitute. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
My queen,
Babe, just relax. Let me handle it, okay? Mom, are you done talking? Is that why you asked her to come? So you can disrespect me? Newsflash, mother. I like the way she dresses. As a matter of fact, I actually asked her to dress this way. You need to understand that, Mom. This is a new generation. Okay? Your time has passed. You and my father, you're old now. And I expect you to encourage her to look beautiful. Because that's what I do. And once I ascend the throne of my fathers, I would, rule the kingdom wearing short knickers and sneakers. This is the 21st century, Mom. Okay? She's a Gen Z. Come on, she's a Gen Z. What do you mean? Mom, and there's nothing you can do about it. This is my wife, and I'm going to get married to her, and there's nothing you can do about it.
Can you hear yourself, Frank? Can you hear what is coming out of your mouth? To think that I was begging the king, your father, to give you chance to marry this thing. Eh? And you don't even care how people outside will feel. Frank, we are talking about this kingdom. The kingdom will look up to her as the queen. Ha! God.
Mom.
This thing will not work.
Oh, no.
This marriage will not work.
You have no right to say that, Mom. Mom, that's impossible. It's not in your power to say that.
And you will lose everything.
Mom, you need to watch how you speak to me. Do you understand?
If you go ahead to marry this thing, you will cease to be your father's son.
All right.
And you will lose everything.
This is my cue to leave. My love, let's go.
Hey!
Walk so she can see you.
Frank, since you are hell-bent on destroying the image of the entire kingdom, you cease to be my son henceforth.
What?
You will hand over the keys of the company, the keys of my properties to Bennett.
Father, you can't do that. You can't do this to me. That's impossible. Mother, are you watching this? Are you part of this?
Now get out of this palace. I say get out!
All right, we shall see.
Bennett?
Yes, Your Majesty.
I will come to the office on Monday to let the rest staff know that you are now in charge.
Thank you very much, Your Majesty. I do appreciate it. Thank you.
Okunna gwara gị King's word ejikwana ya bụ egwu. What your father told.
I don't understand. What's your problem? I can't believe you're forfeiting your father's company just because of that girl. What if something goes wrong tomorrow? Do you think it's making any sense?
Ebuka, I don't know what to say to you, man. But I think you're wasting your time. Yeah. I love her and I'm going to marry her. I don't care what anyone says. We've come a long way, don't you understand? We're cool. We're really, really close. And I really, really love her. That's what's important.
Love.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something about these women that you don't know. You know, these girls, after meeting with the devil one-on-one, the only thing they were able to disclose was just the story of the apple. The rest was just unknown till now. So, now that your father have taken everything away from you, what's next, my friend?
Business. I want to do business. I have money to invest. Just show me what type of business to do and I'll do it.
So how do you intend to start this business?
I want to work with you. I have money. You have the contacts. Show me what to do and I'll do it. I want to invest.
So how do you intend to do this?
I just said it.
You sure about this?
I'm dead sure, 100%.
But honestly, I don't understand you. You want to forfeit your father's company? To go into trading? To be dragging market with us? A whole prince? What is wrong with you, man?
Ebuka, listen to me. I've told you time and time again. I'm a human being, okay? I'm a guy like you. Forget royalty. I'm a guy like you, I'm a hustler. Just like I said, I have the money. Just show me where to invest it, that's all, right? People go into business to make profit. Show me where to invest the money and I'll do it. That's all. Come on.
How ready are you?
I'm ready, dead ready, right now. If you want us to start right now, I'm ready, bro.
It seems like you have this whole thing planned out.
No, I'm just ready. 100, bro.
My king. My king, you look worried. What is troubling you?
Your son has gone to pay the bride price of that prostitute.
What? Frank did what? Frank went and married that girl after all our warnings. Hey! Frank has killed me. Hey! My chest. My chest! Ah! Ah!
Doctor, yes, please, come with an ambulance. Right away, please. You're not cheerful. What's the problem? How is my wife?
Your Highness, her BP went so high that
that's the problem we face every day. My BP always going high and coming down. That's what. I just hope that someday that we'll find solution to that.
Your Highness, what I'm just trying to explain to you is that her BP went so high that it resulted to cardiac arrest.
Cardiac arrest. What about that? This happens, this BP happens every day, and what's cardiac arrest?
Your Highness, she couldn't make it this time. She's dead.
My wife dead?
Yes, Your Highness.
My wife dead, doctor?
I'm so sorry, Your Highness. So sorry.
My wife.
I'll be on my way.
My Ginika. No. My queen is dead. The queen of Wallow Kingdom is dead. Yes. Come right away. Frank, you see what you have done to me. You see what you have done to your mother. You see what you have done to the kingdom. I curse you this day. You shall never see joy in that marriage. You shall never see good things in that marriage.
Your Majesty, this one you dress like this. It's like you're going somewhere.
Oh no, not really. I just decided to dress formal today.
That's good. You sent for me.
Yes, I sent for you. No, I'm worried.
Your Majesty, it's written over you. And what is the thing that makes you worried?
No, it is a year and some months that I lost my wife. I have mourned her enough. I want to have a replacement. What I'm trying to say is that I need a wife. The kingdom cannot continue without having a queen.
In that case, I alone and my cabinet will solidly behind you. So, sorry, do you have someone in mind?
Oh no, not really. But I believe the gods will find me one.
As I said before, I and my cabinet are solidly behind you.
I can't explain what happened. I don't understand. I don't understand. I can't remember. Hi God, what kind of rubbish is this? What's really going on? What's happening to me?
I don't get it too. What do you mean she was kidnapped?
She was kidnapped. I can't explain how.
What for? What for?
I can remember a car was trailing us, and all of a sudden, a gun was pointed to my face, and they took her at gunpoint. That's all I can remember.
Are you serious?
Yes,
Just like that.
Just like that.
Wait, have they called?
Nobody has called me. That's the worst part of everything. I've not spoken to anyone.
Frank, where is my daughter?
Mama,
Mama, just...
Frank, where is my daughter?
Just relax, please.
Relax what?
Just calm down.
Where is my daughter?
Just calm down.
What did you do with my child? What happened?
You just sit down.
Frank, tell me, where is my daughter?
Just relax.
Where is she?
She was kidnapped.
Kidnapped?
Yes.
How? How? Have you called them?
Mama, I don't know who to call.
Call them now. I know what they want.
I don't know who to call. I don't know who they are.
Hey, God, Frank. So what do we do now? What are your plans?
I don't know. I don't know who to call. Sorry. Hello? Yes. Good day, sir. Okay. Babe. Hello, baby. Hello? Hello, sir. Why did you take the hello, sir. Why did you take the phone from her now? What do you want? Oh, okay. I'm listening. 300 million. How? Sir, where do I get that type of money from? 300 million. I've never seen that type of money all my life. Okay, please. Okay, I'll cooperate. Please, can I give you 10 million? Can I give you 10 million, please? Hello? What happened? The bastard ended the call.
What happened? What did they say?
They said they want 300 million naira.
What? 300 million?
I offered 10 million. They said they just ended the call.
Frank, your wife was kidnapped and you are here bargaining with them. Frank, give them whatever they want and bring back my daughter.
Where do I get 300 million?
Get it anyhow you want to.
What do you mean by that?
Get that money, give it to them, and bring my daughter back to this Frank.
Mama, calm down.
Get out of my sight.
Mama, please, just give him some time.
Figure it out! Get this money, give it to them, and bring back my child. Her life is worth more than any amount.
Menebuka, where do I get 280 million from? That's a lot of money, bro. I can't think straight. What do I do? My mother-in-law is on my head, on my neck, a pain in my ass. I don't know what to do, bro.
My guy, just relax. We'll see how we're going to tackle this problem, okay? Why not tell your father you go about it? Let's see what he can do for us.
If we can leave my father out of this, man. My dad can't do anything. Just leave him out of this. Okay? I feel like I can sort it out myself. But the truth is, where do I start from?
There's no how you're going to sort this out yourself because you don't even have the money as we're speaking now. So I'm suggesting, why don't we just, maybe I should just open a WhatsApp group, invite some of our friends, tell them what's up.
Oh, no, Ebuka, you can't do that now. I've got my respect to protect. Come on. You want to start begging? I'll start begging on WhatsApp, telling people, oh, donate money, my wife was kidnapped. Come on now, I can't do that, I'm sorry.
You're sounding as if we have a choice at this point.
So what do we do?
I should be asking you, what do we do? You don't want me to open a WhatsApp group chat. So how do we intend to raise the money?
Ebuka, help me out. You're my friend, bro. Give me some money. I'm going to give it back to you.
Well,
listen, if you don't give me any money, and if you don't have any money to give me, I don't have a choice. I'll probably just use my house and get a loan. I'll use the house as a collateral to take a loan from the bank. That's what I'm going to do.
It's fine. I'll just take 10 million naira out of my business money. But please, you need to pay me back that money. I'll give you 10 million naira.
Thanks, but 10 million is not enough.
That's what I can do for now.
Give me 50, bro.
I don't have it.
You don't have 50 million?
I don't have it.
How is Beauty? How is she coping?
She's just been worried about her mother. And so she can't wait to see the mother come back.
I know how she will be feeling right now. But Frank, you don't have to kill yourself over it. Okay? I know the money they mention is too much. But you don't need to kill yourself. Don't worry, she will come out alive by the grace of God.
Right.
God will provide the money, okay?
Yes, I believe in God actually. But I made an alternative arrangement. I'm giving this house as a collateral to get money from the bank.
Wow, that's a great move. Nice one. That means your wife will be coming out very soon and we'll all celebrate about it.
Hopefully.
Thank God. I'm so happy to hear this news. Okay, I will be supporting you with 100,000 naira. I really don't have much on me. You know, things has not been going well, so please, that's what I can help with.
Thank you. Thank
Please
you very
manage
much.
it.
I appreciate you. Thank you.
Alright, please, can you call your details?
I'll send it to you.
Oh, okay. Alright, no problem.
Thank you.
I need to run along right now.
Thank you.
That was a great move.
Thank you very much.
Alright, take care.
Bye-bye.
Uncle, who was that girl?
Your sister's friend. Why?
Uncle, something is not right about that girl. I'm feeling like she's not a good person.
Well, that doesn't concern you, whether or not she's a good person. Your concern should be, bringing your sister out from the kidnappers then.
Yes.
And I'm trying to wrap my head around where to find money because she needs to come out.
Well, I'm going to be supporting you with 200,000 naira.
And where did you get the money from?
From my little savings. I've been saving.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Let me just go to the kitchen.
I promise upon myself, Jezebel, when I am. If I'm in my work on if I've been to Jezebel.
How did it go? And how is my daughter? Did you see her?
No, I didn't see her. Your husband said she was with your mother inside sleeping. That she has been asking of you. She wants to see you.
And what's my husband doing about it?
Progress. Guess what? Your husband has used this house as a collector to get a loan from the bank. Rejoice!
Are you serious?
I'm telling you. Hey! That chicken, one manya.
So Frank has such an amount of money. Frank has 150 million naira somewhere, plus the one he got from the bank. To think I've been asking Frank to establish my business, but he refused. I've been asking him for 50 million naira, common 50 million naira, but he said no, that what he has is 20 million. What can 20 million naira do for me? In this present Nigeria, what can 20 million naira do for my business?
Mama,
hey!
I shock.
Frank! Hi! The only thing he's good at is to nag. Talk to me like a slave. But I swear to God, I will deal with Frank. He will beg for food in this town. He hasn't started selling his property. Hey! You see, one thing Frank has refused to understand is that the only reason I got married to him is simply because he's a rich man. Oh, so I thought. Oh, well, he's a rich man. That is the only reason I got married to this man. But this is stinginess, this stingy. It's irritating me. And with the way he talks to me as if I'm his slave, as if I'm a piece of furniture that he can move around. But yeah, Chiraka with him, he should not worry. Frank will beg for food in this town.
No, I told you now. No, I told you I'm a professional in this business. But you don't believe me. They look me less anyhow.
Madam, just calm down. No, the money hasn't come yet. So don't take the glory yet.
But the money is going to come. Just calm down. Trust me, okay?
Till it comes.
You know, just trust me at all this game.
Frankly. You said.
Enjoy your...
What to do? Come join us.
No, I'm good. See, we're clubbing tonight.
Club, okay.
Of course.
Are you guys out of your senses? I could get spotted in the club. I am sure the news of my kidnap has gone round this town. And you expect me to club with you? Yeah. I'm not going anywhere.
See, you don't need to worry yourself about that. I'm in charge. I know how to handle it. I would have to get something outside.
Okay.
Club, okay.
The boss has spoken. See, we are clubbing tonight, whether I like it or not. And it's going to provide everything, so don't worry yourself. Just calm down.
You are fine now. See, make I tell you, no provoke me. No provoke me. See, if after tomorrow, when I not drop the money for that location, I go buy your wife. I'll send you the location. See, don't even try to act funny. No try, because if you try, I go kill you. See, if you try, I go kill your wife. See, my eyes are on you. If you try anything funny, your wife is gone. If you try anything funny, you go and carry your wife's corpse. No, you can't speak to your wife now. See, Madam Flora, you need to get yourself prepared. Because once the money drops, you're leaving this room. And when the money drops tomorrow, my business with you is finished. We don't know you, you don't know us. If you see us anywhere, just act like you don't know us. I believe your friend here must have told you about that.
Yes, she did. She's told me everything. And yes, you're correct. Our business ends here.
Sorry if I may ask. It's just to refresh our memory. How are we going to be sharing the money? I just want to know.
We are sticking to this first agreement. 50% goes to Madam Flora, 20% goes to me, and the remaining percent goes to you and my boys. Have I made myself clear?
Okay. Alright, thanks.
The number is not going through. What kind of rubbish is this now? This guy is requested for the money and told me where to bring. I gave them the money and now their number is switched off.
Are you sure it's not network?
Hi, God. Are you okay? Hey! What happened?
I've been released.
Did they hurt you?
No. I've been released.
Hey! Thank God.
I trekked.
Thank God.
I trekked for hours.
You trekked from where to where?
I trekked for hours.
Hey, God.
Until I go to the road.
My wife. Did they hurt you?
No. They didn't hurt me, but they starved me.
They starved you?
They starved me.
They didn't give you anything to eat?
I haven't eaten anything, not even a grain of rice.
Eh?
I'm hungry.
Sister, let me go and get you something. Please.
Go and get something. No, you don't have to. Go and get something. Can you imagine? Hi.
Mom, I hope they didn't beat you. No, they didn't beat me. Oh, my feet.
Maybe you should just take her to the hospital.
Do we take you to the hospital?
I said I'm fine. Don't you worry. I missed you. I kept thinking about you and Beauty. I said my darling husband will be.
We're worried about you. We've been calling these bastards and they won't. I don't know what to say.
They are animals. They are callous.
They didn't touch you.
They didn't
Tell me the
touch
truth now. Let us know.
They
They didn't do anything to you. Eh?
No.
Are you sure?
Trust me.
How can you be fine? We need to take you to the hospital and make sure everything is okay.
Her heart is deceitful. Don't dine with her. Okay, Obi danger. Don't play with her at all. Okay,
Flora, we need to talk about something very important.
Go ahead.
Okay. Since my business crumbled, we both know that it's been chaotic in this house. It's been difficult for us to live like we used to. And I feel like, in fact, I came up with an idea, but I want to seek your permission first. Can I use the only car we have as public transport? I mean, we have to feed in this house. Beauty has to go to school. We don't have a choice. What do you think?
In a nutshell, you want to become a taxi driver.
Well, if that's what you call it, that's okay. I mean, as long as it gives me money daily, I'm fine with it. Like I said, we have to feed. Beauty, our daughter, has to go to school.
Okay.
Is that all you have to say?
Insofar as it will fetch you money, it's fine by me.
Okay, that's all right. I'm hungry. I need to eat something.
The only food in this house is for Beauty and Nneka when they return from school.
Okay. Beauty is more important. She has to eat when she returns from school. That's okay. I have to go to the mechanic to ensure that the car is in good condition before I start.
Okay.
Her heart is deceitful.
Thank you for your understanding. No problem.
Danger. Don't play with her at all. Her heart is deceitful. Don't show her love. She's not a pretty child of love. At all. She's not a pretty child of love. At all. Sure, you don't see her character. I don't see her.
Not to worry, I'll sort it out. It's a promise. I said I will sort you out. Alright, that's fine. I'm giving you my words. I'll call you back, okay? Someone is at the door. Nneka, go see who is at the door. Okay. Ebuka, that's why you came to our house unannounced. I hope everything is okay.
How can everything be okay when your husband refused to pay me the money I lent him? When he was running around looking for money to pay those that kidnapped you. Since your release, I don't understand him. I've been begging him to pay me back the money that I gave him, which is my business money. And he's not saying anything meaningful. I don't know if he wants me to go back to my village, simply because I gave him money to secure your release. So I purposely came here today to talk to you, to please talk to him to give me back the money that I lent him. I need it for my business.
How much are we talking about?
A whole 10 million.
That's huge. Yes. 10 million naira. That's a lot of money. I don't know what to say, but the thing is, I'm not the right person to talk about this. I'm not the right person to discuss this with you. But I would advise if there is any how or way or anything you can do to get back your money, I'd advise you do it.
Really? Is that what you have to say?
What do you want me to say? I mean, I wasn't there when you struck the deal with him. I wasn't there. I wasn't there when you gave him the money.
Just wow. So lending your husband money to secure your release is now a deal. But it's fine. No problem. I know what to do exactly.
Now you're talking.
I'm out of here.
Her heart is deceitful.
Sister, why?
Why not?
That was not fair. Sister, that was Uncle's friend. Is that what you're supposed to say to him? Is that how you are meant to talk to him? A man that helped Uncle to borrow money to save you from the hands of those kidnappers. And all you could tell him is to make troubles with Uncle. Sister, that was not fair. Where is your conscience? It's not like Uncle borrowed that money to go for clubbing or spent it extravagantly. It was for your own good.
Please, you dare question me in my house? You dare question me in my husband's house? By the way, I'm his wife. And he did what he's ought to do. This shouldn't be my headache, really.
Sister, can you hear yourself talk? We are talking about your husband here.
Exactly. My husband, not yours. This will be the first and last time you would interfere in my husband and I affairs. You're not married. Wait until you get married. Then you would have a say in your own house. Don't try this again. Get out. Get out!
I will get out. But that will not stop me from always telling you the truth. You should save your husband from this kind of situations. Excuse me.
You're not even married yet. I'm sure you don't even have a boyfriend to start with. Don't try this nonsense next time. Hey. Advices. Flora.
Her heart is deceitful. Don't dine with her. Open danger. Don't play with her at all. Her heart is deceitful. Don't show her love.
Really? You're back. Well, why are you back this early? You shouldn't be home right now. It's too early. You shouldn't be home now.
I lost the car. Our only source of livelihood.
You mean you lost the car to armed robbers?
Ebuka came to the park today and demanded for his money, his 10 million naira. I told him I didn't have it. He should give me some more time. He just took my car keys and said, if I don't return his money, he'll sell off the car.
That's really bad. Really bad. But, Frank, you said you should have paid him this money since. I mean, that guy was there for you. He's the typical example of a friend indeed and in need. I mean, he saved your ass. You ought to have paid him this money a long time, or truth
Flora,
be told.
I don't understand. What are you talking about? I'm trying to understand you. What do you mean? I should have paid the money a long time ago. Where am I supposed to get the money from? I used the money to rescue you from the kidnappers. Where am I supposed to get the money from? I want to know. Flora, are you out of your mind? Because you talk very carelessly. What do you mean I should have paid him a long time ago? So the question to you is, where am I supposed to get the money from?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Now that I'm glad that all his threats now will come to an end. Please, let's breathe. We can now breathe. Well, the only thing is for you to look for something else to do. Get another job. Because bills are meant to be paid. You can't just be jobless. Beauty school fees needs to be paid. As for me, I can't starve in this house. And I will not lower my standards for anything.
Okay. You won't lower your standards and you cannot starve in this house. Alright. Go get a job then. Go get a job. What law says I have to be the one to work? What about you? Huh? Flora, sometimes I wonder how you reason. You're asking stupid questions like, why did I not pay him the money? And now you cannot lower your standards. You cannot starve in this house. Then get up and go get a job. Go get a job.
Flora, you don't need to rush. You don't need to rush to start up your business immediately. To avoid suspicion, you don't need to rush and open your business. Okay, you need to take it easy. Do you want people to start suspecting you? To start asking how come, where did you get the money from? You need to take things slow and steady. Flora, you need to take it easy. You need to suffer with them. Yes, you need to suffer as if things are very hard for the family. You need to mellow. For now, you need to, low down. You don't need to start rushing to open up your own business. All eyes will be on you.
I beg, Sonia. Okay? I beg, Sonia. All this one you're talking about, consign you. Consign me at all. My problem right now, what is giving me headache, what I'm cracking my brain about is, what if he tells me to explain how and when I made this money? Opening a boutique or supermarket is nothing. It's just what I will tell him when he asks me, where did you get the money from? That is my only worry.
I don't understand. Are you a baby? Are you a kid? Are you a child? What kind of question is that?
I know you have the money to open up your business. You don't owe this man explanation. You owe him no explanation. Now, this is where you got it all wrong. Insofar as I'm still living under the same roof with this man, I am still legally married to him. I am still his wife. So he needs all the explanations there is. Let's not forget that part. I am still his wife. See, babe, the boutique and supermarket I'm talking about, they are not child's play. It's not one of those, they're not going to be one of those roadside boutique and supermarkets where you find one top for 1,000 naira. We're talking about one top for 200,000 naira. Hey, please, we had better start cracking our heads together on what to tell him whenever he says I should explain where I got such money from. Please, think with me. Think along with me. Please.
Okay, fine then. What do we do now?
I don't know.
We need to act fast. Like I said, you need to calm down, okay? You don't need to rush things. Just calm down.
Well, Frank, this letter is from the management of the bank. It's in respect of the loan you took from the bank. The bank is very worried. You have just 2 weeks to pay off. Failure to do this, the bank will be left with no option than to take possession of this very building you used as a collateral. My hands are very tight right now. There is nothing I can do, Frank. Please, do all you can to pay off, please. Thank you. I'll put a call through to you. I'll see you. Hi.
Bye. Who is it?
It's for my bank. I need to pay back the loan I took. Else, they take the house.
Vacate this house in 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Mr. Ma, I don't know how to express myself, but then a lot has been going on. The truth is, there's fire on the mountain. I need to start doing something. Things are really, really bad for me. I'm telling you, I don't know how to express myself, but the truth is I need to start doing something. I don't mind coming here to work for you. Just tell me what to do, and I'll do it. The point is, I need to bounce back. But before I bounce back, I need to work and earn so I can feed my family. Please, I'm a family man. It's very important. I need your help, please. Just tell me what to do and I'll do it.
Frank, last time I was discussing with you, you told me that you are a prince. That your father is the king of your kingdom. So, how come things change like this? Is your father aware of this your condition?
It's a long story. That's why I said it's a long story. We don't have to talk about my father. He doesn't know about this. Okay? I just came here on my own accord, please.
And upon all the jobs, all the work in this world, it's the only mechanic that you are choosing to do.
I just need to do something so I can feed my family.
It's okay.
Just tell me what to do and I'll do it.
No problem. I will accept you. You will work in my workshop. There's no problem. After all, you are my old-time customer. But the only problem I'm going to have with you is this your body, this your skin. You know, as you are yellow, as you are fine like this, if you grease, touching this thing, you will turn to black. But then you will say, Emma did not explain this thing to you at the earlier time.
Please, that's not it. Please, can I get some water to drink?
Water?
Yes.
I think that I have left small water in that room. Because the water will drink here.
Get me bottled water or something.
I don't have bottled water. I don't have pure. Do you come here to work or to drink water?
Okay, I came to work.
It's okay, no problem. And one more thing. I'm supposed to collect money from you before I can allow you to work in my workshop. But due to I am your friend, I'm also like a brother to you because you are my old-time customer. I will not collect any money from you. But you have to be up and doing. If I give you, if a customer brings work, you put your eye on it very, very well so that very soon you will master everything.
Mr. Emma, that's not a problem now. Just tell me what to do and I'll do it. That's what I said initially.
Okay, no problem.
If you like, climb on top of tree, you can never see it.
Good morning, Mom. Why are you home this early?
The head mistress said the grace is over for those that haven't paid school fees.
Why didn't you march straight to your father's workshop?
My father's workshop. I don't know where it is.
Okay.
Plus, I'm starving.
Okay. There is no money in this house. So you have to wait up until your father returns. Even Nneka hasn't eaten.
But Mom.
But what? My friend, don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. I'm trying to check all my jewelries. I'm trying to be sure that they are complete. Because this moving house of a thing, it's not easy. So many things can get missing. So I have to be sure that my jewelries are intact and are complete.
Mom, you can sell one.
You say? My friend, get out from my face. Can your father afford it? Can he afford it? He can sell one. He can't even afford them. It's bad enough that we've sold our big house. Now you're telling me to sell my jewelries.
Flora, we need to talk.
I can hear you. I'm here already now. See what you want to say.
Flora, I need some money. When you were kidnapped, I borrowed money from some people. So it's time to pay them back.
Why do you always remind me of this, my kidnap incidents? Why? You always tend to rub it in at any given opportunity. Whenever you run out of money, boom, you talk about my kidnap. You talk about how you sold your house just so you can bring me out of those kidnappers' den. Why? No, tell me why? It is bad enough that you brought me into this cubicle called a house. You're not even trying to make me happy, to make me relax with you and manage this place with you. No, all you do is to provoke me and ask me for money. Why? By the way, did you start any business for me?
Hey.
No, I want to know. Did you start any business for me? Oga, I don't have money to give. I don't even have 1 penny to myself. I've been walking around this town, going everywhere, up and down, looking for something to lay my hands on. I haven't seen them. I haven't even found one job for myself. And you're here asking me for money. Hey God, I beg. Please don't even start. Don't even start this afternoon. Don't even start.
Flora, why are you getting upset? No, tell me. I want to know the reason you're upset. Am I lying? Were you not kidnapped? Did I not borrow money to rescue you? And I'm asking you to give me some money so I can pay them back, and you're getting upset. Why am I in this condition? Is it not because of you? Did you not put me in this condition? Eh? I'm no longer in good terms with my parents because of you. My mother died. Hey. My mother died without forgiving me because I disobeyed her to follow you. Eh? Look at me. Look at how stupid I look. I can't even access the wealth that belongs to me because I fell in love with you. Flora, were you not kidnapped? Now it is time to pay back the money that we used in rescuing you, and you're getting upset. Okay, what if you had died then? What do I tell people? I'm sure they'll call me a kidnapper and a ritualist. Is that what you want for me?
Thank God I did not die in the kidnapper's den. Thank God though. But, point of correction, I did not push you into disobeying your parents. I did not push you. You did it of your own accord. Because you desperately wanted to marry me and to make yourself happy, which you finally did. Why are you putting the blame on me now that I made you disobey your parents? I did not, Oga.
Flora, listen, we don't have to keep going back and forth about this.
Are you sorry?
I'm not here to cause trouble. I'm a peaceful man. I'm a gentleman. I don't want any trouble. All I'm asking is, give me some money. You told me that your friend gave you, some money to start up a business or something. Give me part of it so I can give the people I took money from to rescue you. Besides, we also need to pay our daughter's school fees. And I don't have any money.
Hey.
My businesses are bad. I'm just pleading. I see you with a lot of money. Give me some of those money so I can...
Wait. So because my friend gave me money to start up a business, you want me to give it to you so you can pay school fees with it? Is that it?
For our daughter.
Which daughter? So what? What if she gave me money to start up a business? Why? What do you want me to? What do you want me to do? To give you the money?
Flora, I just said give me...
No. Frank, it is your responsibility to pay for your daughter's school fees. Don't get me involved. If you don't have money to pay for her school fees, let her sit in this house and wait up until you do so.
One more thing. One more thing. This is very important. Please, ask your sister to leave. She should go back home. Listen, I'm not asking her to leave because I hate her or something. I feel very embarrassed with her watching us quarrel every day. I know things are bad, but I strongly believe that things will get better. But before things get better, let her go back home. It doesn't make sense that she's listening to our conversation, she's watching us fight every other day.
You should be ashamed of yourself. You don't have one respect for yourself.
King's word, what your father told you, King's word, don't play with you.
Uncle Frank.
Please sit down.
What's going on?
Your sister is frustrating me. Sometimes I just want to unalive myself. What have I done wrong? Is it a bad thing to fall in love? I'm going through all of this because I'm in love with your sister. What kind of rubbish is this? Listen, I'm not asking you to leave because I hate you or I despise you. No. Things are very bad for us. Do you understand me? But I strongly believe things will get better. But before things get better, I want you to go. I feel very embarrassed with you around us, watching us fight and quarrel every other day. I feel very bad. It doesn't make sense. Do you understand me?
Well, Uncle Frank, I understand. I have heard everything you said. And to be very honest, if I say that I have not been seeing all that has been happening in this family, then I'll be lying. No problem. I will go. But please, I want you to do yourself a favor. See whatever that is happening now as a temptation, and it will pass. And one more thing. I want you to separate my sister, your wife, from that her friend Sonia. My spirit is telling me that that girl is the reason for your problems. You have to separate both of them if you want peace in your home. I'll go and pack my bags and go. Thank you, sir.
What is wrong with you?
Mom, my stomach is paining me and my body is very hot.
Have you told your father?
He's not back from work.
Wait, let me call him so he will take you to the hospital. Everything should not be for Mama alone. Let him come and take you to the hospital. He's running away from the bills. It's okay. Is that why you're screaming? Common stomach ache. I beg.
Neka!
Get it, sit down. I want to talk to you.
I don't want to sit. I'm fine.
Nigga, why are you so stupid? Why are you so foolish? Do you have anything up there?
Mama, stupid. Me. Mama, what sort of insult is this now? What did I do?
Nigga, what are you doing in this house?
Hey.
Eh? Why did you leave the city and came back to this house? Eh?
Mama, the last time I checked, you did not have ear problems.
Big aura now.
Mama, the day I entered this house, I told you that Uncle Frank said he cannot take care of me due to the situations in his family. Mama, do you want me to be a body to him simply because he's marrying my sister? Mama, I don't understand you. And Auntie Flora is not helping matters at all.
Shut your mouth! Is Frank the only person that has a problem in his business? If he can take care of his daughter Beauty, he can also take care of you. Come, listen, let me tell you. First thing tomorrow morning, you are going back to the city. Better pack your things tonight. You see this house? It's not going to take the both of us. I don't have money to take care of you. Go back there!
Mama, I'm not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. This is my father's house. Am I even on Uncle Frank's responsibility? Are you not my responsibility?
Oh, I'm your responsibility?
Yes. I am your responsibility, Mama. Are you not my mother? Every time Uncle Frank.
Neka. Neka!
Mama, sometimes I wonder if you are really a mother. Your own son-in-law is suffering in his business. He barely eats once in a day. And you still have the heart, the mind, Mama, to tell me to go back so that we can be a burden to him. Extra burden for a man that cannot even see Gary to drink. Hey, Mama, what kind of heart do you even have? Now it is obvious to me that you are the one teaching sister to frustrate that man. But if anything happens to him, I will tell the world that you and sister killed him. Like mother, like daughter.
This house will not contain the both of us. This house will never contain the both of us.
You call yourself a mother.
I don't want to worry about me.
What kind of mother?
I don't know where I got a child like you.
Oh, you are disappointment to motherhood. You call yourself a wife.
I know how to
do. But your mother then
I'm still your mother. I will deal with you now.
Used for cultivation of crops.
Her heart is deceitful. Don't dine with her. Danger. Don't play with her at all. Her heart is deceitful. Don't show her love.
Are you going out?
Exactly what it looks like.
But I told you yesterday that we needed to talk about something important. And you said this morning. And this morning you're going out.
Please, whatever it is you want us to discuss can't wait. I'm running late for my appointment.
No, that's totally unacceptable. I can't keep getting insults from you. I told you yesterday that we need to talk about something important. And you said this morning. And this morning you want to just walk out. I'm not going to accept or tolerate this disrespect from you anymore. Do you understand me? I'm in this condition because of you. Even if I don't have money, Even if I am a nobody, you don't have any right to disrespect me.
Dad, it's okay. Just let her go. Let's continue from where we stopped.
That's fine, my daughter. I'm sorry I raised my voice, but it's okay. Let's continue.
Dad, don't let her ruin your mood.
Let's continue. A farm is a piece of land used for cultivation of crops.
Climb on top of tree, you can never see it.
My life has been a living hell with Frank in recent times. I mean, I don't know. I don't know how I got myself into that situation called marriage. I can't explain it. God. Anyway, I will soon end it. I mean, just a little bit of time and I'm out of that marriage. I'll be out in no time. Do you know it gets worse by the day? The worst of it all now is that Frank is beginning to shamelessly ask me to contribute in our daughter's school fees.
What?
He doesn't want to be the only provider again. He is beginning to rope me into it. How? Like I said, teeny, tiny, small time. And I'm out. After all, I've already gotten what I wanted. So, who was there? Why should I be there? Why?
You see why I said I'm not cut out for this marriage palaver yet? I was warning you about it. But you tagged me as a bad belle, calling me all sorts of names, telling me that he's a prince, his father is one Igwe in their kingdom or whatever. Even when the father disowned him, I told you to quit that marriage. But you refused because they shock you, they sweet you. Now you don't enter the marriage. They talk to you anyhow. Look at the way he's talking to you as if you're a slave or something. A fine girl like you. Eh? Don't you look at yourself on the mirror? How can you allow that riffraff talk to you anyhow? Just because you're from a wretched home.
Tell the world. Tell the world how I'm from a wretched home. Announce it on radio station. Announce it. No, go ahead and tell the world that I am from a wretched home.
It's okay.
Do you have to scream it?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry about
Beg,
that.
beg.
I'm sorry. But you were poor before now. Eh? But now you're not a rich girl. You're a big girl now.
But don't rub it in. After all, that is exactly the reason I got into this thing. That is exactly the reason I faked my own kidnap. I mean, I wouldn't have done this now if I wasn't from a wretched home. I need money and I need to do what I needed to do. Besides, my dear, I am planning my exit. I cannot, and I repeat, I cannot be under a man. What was Frank even thinking? That I will be under him while he controls me like a piece of furniture? Hell no, over my dead body. I can't. I'm planning my exit. I want my freedom. I want my freedom like a bird. Huh. The guy is beginning to choke me. He's choking me. Enough of Frank, I beg. How far? The plaza. Have you contacted the agent? Babe, this money is going down. No, I'm beginning to dip my hands into this money. And you know, when there is no income, the money will keep going down. I'm beginning to even think as if I've been duped. Because the money don't short.
You're right, you know. Yeah, you're right. I have an appointment with him on Monday. You need to come along with me, just in case he demands for payment, so that you can do the transfer yourself.
Okay. It's fine. I mean, it's okay. First things first, we'll pay for it, and then the next time we stock up the warehouse with goods.
That reminds me. You know, we need to look for someone that will be supplying you goods so that you can stock up the shop.
My dear, that one, I've already sorted it out. Oh.
That's my girl. I trust you now. No doubt I meant with you. I'll see you later.
Alright.
I need to rush.
You call yourself
take care.
but
Don't
your
worry, calm
mother
down. Everything will be sorted out, okay?
Take care, bye. Onijidori teacher. Her heart is deceitful. Don't dine with her. Okay, Open danger. Don't play with her at all. Okay, her heart is deceitful. Don't show her love. Okay, she's not a pretty child of love. At all. She's not a pretty child of love. At all,
Auntie! How are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
Hi.
Hi, good evening, sir.
Dad, this is my teacher.
Oh, hi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm Cynthia.
Oh, great. Nice to meet you. She's told me lots about you.
Really?
Yes. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Are you going somewhere?
I'm actually on my way home.
Oh, you live here?
No.
Oh, okay. Oh, great. We can take a walk together. Oh, she said you're always helping her with her homework.
Yes, I do. She's a very smart and intelligent.
Flora, hurry up now. Oh, sit down. Let me have breakfast now.
She has eaten.
Flora, we need to talk. It's important.
Not to worry, I'm here now. Eat your food first.
When I come.
Flora, what is this now?
Which one is what is this?
What rubbish is this, Flora?
It's food.
Are you indirectly calling me a pigeon? Flora, look at what you're serving me for breakfast. Gari and granite and sugar. For breakfast, how? Am I a pigeon? Why are you doing this to me? What have I done to deserve this?
You don't give me 4,000 naira for breakfast and expect an intercontinental dish. It doesn't work that way. My friend, Halele, go to school.
Why are you doing this to me? What have I done to deserve this? I need an answer. Give me a response. What have I done to deserve this? Did I not do everything I was asked to do when I came to marry you? Did I not marry you well? Why are you treating me like this? You are giving me gari and granite to have for breakfast. Why are you so wicked? Eh? Why are you doing this to me?
That question should be addressed to you. I should be the one asking you that question. I should be the one asking that question. Why did I marry such an unfortunate husband?
Me unfortunate?
Oh yes.
Flora, me unfortunate?
Just one child. Just one child, Beauty and myself. You cannot feed us. You cannot provide for us. Because you have one tiny problem in your business. You want to starve us to death. Do you know how many other problems other men have in their businesses? Yet they provide for their families. Imagine if we had a battalion of people in this house. These days, the only thing you are good at is to beg for money and demand for sex at night.
God will punish you.
Finish me with sex.
God will punish you.
Poor man and sex.
God will punish you. Flora, God will punish you. Why am I in this condition? Did you not put me in this condition? I used to control my father's billions. But look at me now. A whole prince. I command royalty. But look at me. A shadow of myself because of you. Because I didn't listen to my parents. And you're here talking back at me. Giving me curry and granola to take for breakfast. God will punish you.
I beg you. Let me hear word. Used to control billions. I get them before no be property. You see, now I'm beginning to understand that phrase. No condition is permanent. It's beginning to make sense to me now. You thought it was in the past. You thought it was those days you would toss me around like a furniture. You would talk to me anyhow as if I'm your slave. Hey, things have changed though. Things have changed. And you know what? Very soon, I will leave you and bounce. I will leave you and go and find something to do with my life because I can't stay here and suffer with you.
What else can you do? Of course now, what else can you do? Follow those rich men that give you money. What else? But let me tell you something. Whatever you do today echoes in the afterlife.
Don't play with it. Makonya geje fi walugwa. Adirama ino na boketa bulia. Body and sitting down.
You mean he has not gotten any tangible work doing apart from that mechanic job?
Mama, do I have water in my mouth? I am telling you that Frank is not doing anything right about now. As a matter of fact, Frank now complains so much. Aye! Frank nags and nags and nags. Do you know that he's beginning to use my kidnapping incident as an excuse? Hey, even down to his daughter's school fees, Frank will complain. Frank that is planning on borrowing money from me.
Get me.
A family man, Izoku Kanagwa, give me the wife, she start providing. God forbid.
Hey! That reminds me. How about that business you said you were going to open? How far about it?
Oh, I'm on it. I'm on it. I'm looking for somewhere to pay. Once I pay for that place, next month I'll declare it open. Ha, Jimebo.
Are you hiding something from me?
Hide? Mama, what on earth do you think I can possibly hide from you? My own mother. Hey, I'm not hiding anything from you.
Because you said you were going to open a supermarket and a boutique in a very big way. And for you to achieve that, I know that millions of nairas are involved. So how are you going to get it? Where is the money coming from?
Oh, now I understand where you're coming from. You remember that my friend Sonia, she took me to a loan office, used her empty plot of land as collateral. Though I promised I'll pay her back in 3 years old. That's the agreement. And you know agreement is agreement. So you see, your daughter has everything sorted out. Not to worry yourself.
That's your friend is a very good friend. Oh. She's so nice.
Angel in human form.
I would love to see her so I can thank her in person. You don't see such people easily these days. Oh.
Not to worry, you will see her very soon, someday.
Hey, such a good girl.
Hey, where is Ineka?
That one. Always making trouble. Do you know that sometimes I wonder if I'm the one that really gave birth to that girl? Do you know that Neka was insulting me the other day? Saying that I'm the one that spoiled you to the extent of you not respecting your husband. That girl. I don't know where she came from.
Like father, like daughter. Neka is always acting as if she's the best, as if she's the good one amongst us.
Every
Every other person is a devil. Mama, do you know that if not for you, I wouldn't have known that Nneka and Frank left the house. I'm telling you, I wouldn't have known her whereabouts. That girl. Hey, please let's say something else. Forget about Nneka. I'll deal with her.
Please.
Thank you.
Hi.
Lucy, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Come on, don't lie to me. What's the problem?
It's my dad. He's going through a lot. My mom disrespects him. She insults him in public. This morning she even gave him curry and granola to drink as his breakfast.
Curry and granules for breakfast? No, this is not right. I mean, why would he get such a treatment from his wife? I don't know who your father is, but the little time I saw him, he looks like a very good man.
He is.
He doesn't deserve such treatment.
My dad is a very good man. He doesn't make trouble.
It's fine, okay? It's fine. Look at me. You have to go home now, right? I'll see you tomorrow. Come. I pray everything goes up.
Thank you, Mom.
You're coming to school tomorrow, right? Alright, baby.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Take care.
Your Majesty, there's something I want to discuss with you.
Oh, something you want to discuss with me?
Yes.
I'm listening. I hope there's no problem.
Not at all.
Okay.
It's about your son, Prince Frank. When is he coming back to the palace?
I don't want to talk about him. The boy who disobeyed me and went ahead to marry that prostitute against my wish. I don't want to talk about him until I die.
Your Majesty, you want to abandon your son because he disobeyed you and married the woman of his choice? That's not fair now. Have you considered what people will say? Do you know where he is right now? Do you know whether he's fine or not?
You should be talking about your own son who's about 5, 6 years old. How he is to become the heir apparent of his great kingdom.
Your Majesty, I know I have a son with you. But I'm talking about the prince, your first son. You need to find him and bring him back. No matter what, he is the heir to your throne. He's the true prince.
My beautiful queen.
Your Majesty.
Can you please do me a favor?
I will do anything for you.
Change the topic.
Mom. I've been wanting to ask you something.
Please. As you can see, I am busy with my phone. Besides, if it's about your homework, wait until your father returns.
Well, Mom, it's not about my homework. It's about you and Dad.
What about us?
Why do you hate Dad so much?
Hey! Hey! Beauty. Starting when? Since when did you grow wings? So all you do in this house with your father is to talk about me. You're beginning to gossip with your mother's name. Wait. Did your father send you? I'm your mother, tell me the truth. Did he send you?
Nobody sent me. I just wanted to...
My friend, get out! Get out! Get out from my face.
Mom.
Get out! Eh? This one has grown wings, oh. Wait. Beauty! Beauty!
Yes, Mom.
You're in this house and I'm screaming your name this loud. And you can't hear me.
What? I answered you. I'm even here with you.
Beauty, let me tell you something. I have had enough trouble with your father. He has given me enough trouble to last me for a decade. Don't put heads with him. Don't join heads with him and give me your own trouble. Because I am going to pounce on you if you try me. I wish I had aborted you, honestly. You're the reason I am in this situationship called marriage. Only you. It is because of you I'm still in this house. Rubbish. Don't even add to his own.
So, Mom, you mean you'd have killed me in your womb?
Before, Uncle. Are you better than those children that are being aborted? My friend, get out from my face.
But, Mom, why do you hate us so much? Why? When Dad had money, you used to worship him like a god. But now that he doesn't have any money, you disrespect him, insult him.
Hey,
Mom, why? Why?
All these dumb questions are for me. If I open my eyes, you had better disappear from here. If not, I will pounce on you, Beauty. Vamos! Get out!
You call yourself a mother.
The only reason I'm tolerating you is
what kind of mother are you? Oh, you are disappointment to motherhood. You call yourself a wife. Oh, but your mother the knife. Onye jidori bo. Onye jidori teacher. Her heart is deceitful. Don't dine with her. Okay, don't play with her at all.
Are you okay? Beauty, are you alright? What's wrong? Why are you sad?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? Why? Where's your mother? Didn't she give you food to eat?
No. Well, she did, but I asked for yours. She said there's no food for you. So I've been waiting for you to come back so we could share the food together. I didn't want you to go to bed on an empty stomach.
Beauty, listen. You don't have to wait for Daddy to come back before you eat food. Once you get hungry, you eat so you don't fall sick. I know you care about Daddy and Daddy cares about you too. And thank you so much for waiting for Daddy. Okay? Are you happy now?
No.
Why?
Dad.
Yeah?
Is it true that Mom wanted to abort me when she was pregnant of me?
Where did you get that information from? Who is saying that to you? Who said that to you? Beauty, who said that to you?
Mom said that if she knew that this was how your marriage with her was going to end, that she would have aborted me.
Beauty, look at me. That's not true. Okay? That was... Don't listen to her, okay? She was only lying to you. And guess what? Your mother is very paranoid now. And paranoid people say a lot of crazy things that they don't mean. Okay? So she didn't mean that. Trust me. She didn't mean that. I promise you. And whenever she says anything like that to you, don't listen to her. Okay?
Okay, Dad.
Now it's time to eat your food. In fact, I'm going to eat your food with you. So go get your food. Wait. Are you happy now? Alright, smile. No. Smile. Smile. Alright, go get your food.
I don't know why my mom hates my dad so much. Before we used to pray together, go on outings. But ever since my dad's business collapsed, my mom has been so hard on him.
Listen, Beauty, you're such an intelligent and gifted child. You mustn't allow your parents' problem get you so upset-minded. You owe it an obligation to keep praying for them and hope things get better. Because you're a warrior, aren't you?
I am.
Say it with confidence.
I'm a warrior.
Perfect. Now fix your face and let's go home. The school is already empty. Okay?
Okay.
Come, let's go. Everything will be.
What your father told you, please don't play with it. I brought this.
Mom, let's pray. In Jesus' name. Father, have mercy upon my parents in the name of Jesus. Father Lord, let no evil come near us in the name of Jesus. Father Lord, forgive my mom for all her sins. Father Lord, I commit my parents into your hands, O Lord. Father Lord, take over their marriage in the name of Jesus. Father Lord, provide every single thing that we need in the name of Jesus. Father Lord, provide money for my dad in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
Father, let no evil come near us in the name of Jesus. Father Lord, we thank you for the gift of life. Thank you for everything you have done for us. We appreciate you. Give you thanks.
I brought this upon myself. I brought this upon myself. If I'm in my work,
Flora, we need to talk.
You like talk? You like talk? What is it? What do you want us to talk about? Because the truth is, there is nothing to talk about.
Flora, we have a lot to talk about. There's actually a lot to talk about. Your attitude is becoming unbearable. What's wrong? What's going on here? I've tried everything within my capacity to make you comfortable, but you don't appreciate me. When I had money, I took good care of you. I bought everything you needed. And just because I found myself in this situation, you treat me like trash.
Are you done? So, all these things you've just blabbed is actually what you want us to talk about. Hey. So this is the reason you want to disturb my morning. Hey God, please, Mr. Frank, If it is trouble that you came for this morning, count me out. I will not be a part of it.
Flora, I'm not here to make troubles with you. I'm here to tell you that your attitude is affecting our only daughter. And I'm not going to tolerate that from you. How dare you tell our only daughter that you would have aborted her when you were pregnant of her? Are you truly her mother? Which mother says a thing like that to her daughter? Are you out of your mind? Let me ask you a question. What if you had died in the process of giving birth to her? Would you have said that rubbish to her?
Eh? Who will kill me? No, who will kill me? Hey, hey, hey! He that is in me is greater than he that is in her. She will do no such thing. I am better than her, I'm bigger than her, physically, spiritually, and otherwise. I'd rather kill her than she kills me. Hold up, 1 second. It is beginning to make sense to me now. You were the one who sent her the other day to interrogate me. Hey, hey! I knew it. I knew you were the one who sent her. Because I was wondering where she got that guts from.
Flora.
There is a gang up.
Your daughter is behind you. She's hearing everything you're saying. Look at your daughter crying. You see what you have caused? You see what you have caused?
Get out, get out!
What your father told you,
Dad,
King's word.
is she really my mother?
Sitting down, even if you like, climb on top of tree, you can never see it.
Flora is your biological mother.
Then, why does she hate me so much?
She doesn't hate you. Your mother is just paranoid. I mean, things are no longer the way they used to be. So it's expected for her to, get really, really upset and transfer aggression. But she loves you. And I promise you that she's going to come around soon, okay? Please. But that's your mother. That's your biological mother.
He should be the one that should feel bad because you lost your money because of her.
I know. I mean, she's a woman and she's my wife. Sometimes women, they need money to survive. When there's no money, they become very, very upset. And my money is your mother's money, so she's just upset that there's no more money. And, she likes to live a luxurious lifestyle. Right now, we can't afford anything, so she's upset and she's transferring the aggression to me. So don't worry, everything is going to be fine, and I promise you she's going to come back with so much love. Alright? Please, my daughter.
Wait! Let me make a call. Hello, Frank. Yes, you can hear her crying. She said her tummy is paining her. What do you mean I should do something? Come back and take her to the hospital. That is what fathers like you do. Come back and take your daughter to the hospital. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. If it's to talk about me from morning till night with her, you will do that one fast, Abby. Come back and take her to the hospital. My friend, your father is coming. Stop making noise in this house.
Emma, you can't believe this. Some women can be very heartless. The question is, why are some women heartless? My wife, the mother of my daughter, can't pay my daughter's hospital bill. I asked her to give me some money, please, so my daughter can get health care. She refused. But I see her with money every time. I see her with money every time.
Frank, you have to calm down. You have to calm down. I want you to know that some women are like that. They love money more than their lives. But you cannot kill yourself because your wife refused to give.
But we need to save my daughter. Her life is at stake. What do I do? Where do I get the money from?
You said she's in the hospital now?
Yes. They're asking for 150,000. Where do I get that kind of money from?
Okay, see what will happen. I will give you some money. Yeah, I will give you some money. Because the money I have, the owner of this car I'm working on just gave me some money to buy some
parts. I know. I saw it.
So I will give you that money. But before you go to the hospital, I will send you. I will give you 30,000 naira. Before you reach to the hospital, I will send you 20,000.
Thank you very much, Mr. Emma. Thank you very much.
Just the most important thing is to save your daughter.
But I feel pained. I feel very pained. Am I not in this condition because of her?
It's okay.
Who put me in this condition?
It's okay, Frank. It's okay, Frank. You go to the hospital first and save your daughter's life. It's very, very important.
Hey, let's go now so you give me the money.
Don't worry, the money. Then you need to bring the 30,000 naira. Then before you reach your hospital, I'll send you.
Okay, no problem.
King's word, don't play with it.
Flora, can I get some money?
Climb on top of tree, you can never see it.
Flora, I'm talking to you.
Which money? Which money? I don't have any money to give to you.
Flora, what do you mean you don't have any money to give me? What is this you're holding? Flora, I told you I needed some money. I needed 20,000 naira to complete our daughter's medical bill.
So, any money now you see with me automatically belongs to me. Is that what it implies? Or is that what you mean? Whenever you see me counting money, automatically it's Flora's money. This money belongs to someone, not mine.
What do you mean this money belongs to someone else? Flora, listen to me. I know you no longer have respect for your husband. You no longer have regards for me. But don't extend the hatred to your daughter. Because she needs you to stay alive.
Hey, since when did I start holding her life? Am I the giver of life? I'm now God.
Flora, her situation is getting bad. She needs money to get some drugs.
I don't have. This money is for someone else.
Come on. Frank! Are you mad?
Frank, give me my money. It's for someone else. Frank, give me my
Flora,
money.
Be careful.
Why was I even counting this money here? I had wanted to pay this money in the bank. Frank, give me my money, oh! Give me my money! Frank, give me my money! Frank!
Her heart is deceitful, don't dine with her. Okay, open danger, Don't play with her at all. Okay, baby. Her heart is deceitful. Don't show her love. Okay, baby. She's not a preacher of love. At all. She's not a preacher of love. At all, sure you don't see her character. I don't see her. No money movement, her heart is strong. She know they talk love. Her heart is strong. Her heart is strong. She know they talk love. Dining, whining with an enemy, playing, loving an enemy. Oh, thinking that this is peace of mind.
My beauty. From your face, I can tell that you feel better now. Hey, you look brighter today. That's good. Guess what? Mama got you your favorite pepper soup and agidi.
You got me what?
Your favorite pepper soup and agidi.
You got me pepper soup. Who sent you? I ask again, who sent you? I will not take this from you.
And what exactly do you mean by who sent me? I bought this well-made sumptuous meal for my sick daughter and all I get is asking who sent me.
So it's now you realize that I'm your daughter. Okay. How many times did you visit me in the hospital? As far as I can remember, I didn't see you 10 kilometers close to the hospital. Well, I know you thought I was going to die, but thank God for my lovely father who saved me.
Lovely father indeed. You see, it's really dawned on me that Frank, your father, has been feeding you with a lot of nonsense about me. He's been feeding you with jargons, bullshit about me. But you know what? I don't care. I don't care one bit. But I will keep doing my role as the good mother that I am. Yes, I have a sick daughter and I decided to go buy her one of her favorite food. One of her favorite dishes. But no, she rejected it. It is my fault. Don't worry, it is my fault. I agree. I take the blame. Look at the food I bought you. Just, you didn't even open it to see how rich this food looks like.
For the record, I don't even like pepper soup.
I don't blame you. Your broke father can't even get this food for you. Frank has been feeding you with nonsense and you keep believing him. Go on! Don't worry. My father likes it.
Mama, it's been a lot too. That's exactly what I've been going through as we speak right now. I can't explain who I am anymore. I'm totally confused. I have nothing else to say.
Hi. But now, what is your next plan? Are you going to continue with this your mechanic work? Because you are not making enough money to cater for your responsibilities.
Mama, I'm trying to understand you. I don't follow.
Frank, what I mean is that I do not understand my son-in-law anymore. Frank, you usually send me money. You no longer send me money.
Even when I call most time to ask for money, you end up not picking my calls anymore. As an all God be shown you. Frank, I don't understand what the one you are now, what you are now.
Mama, I'm trying to understand you. Am I hallucinating? It is something... I just carefully narrated my problems to you. And this is all you have to say? Mama, do you have conscience? Mama, give me a response. Where is your conscience?
Frank.
I literally just told you what I'm going through. And you're talking about money that I don't send you money anymore. Mama, you okay?
Hey. What did I tell you, Mama? I told you not to bother yourself. I told you that you didn't have to come here to complain to him. That he's going to use this kidnap incident as an excuse.
Flora.
That is exactly what he's been doing in recent times.
Flora, you need to stop right there.
I will not stop.
You need to stop right there.
No.
I was talking to your mother, not you.
I have every right to. I have every right to come into this conversation. Besides, she's my mother and I have every right to talk to my mother. You won't stop me. I will talk to her. I will interfere in this conversation.
What is going on here?
Frank, right before me, just look at the way you are talking to your wife. Frank, what is going on? I don't understand you anymore. Where is my son-in-law? Because I don't know you.
He's dead and gone.
I'm dead and gone. Hey!
I told you. You shouldn't have even come here to complain. I told you he was going to bring up this kidnap incident. Since that is the excuse this man has been giving to Beauty and I. We've been starving to death. Every day he rubs it in that he paid for ransom.
He's the first man to pay for ransom.
Ask me, no. Ask me.
That he rescued you from the kidnapper. What's the big deal about that?
Okay.
Is he not your husband?
Oh, no. He's waiting for you to come and rescue me.
I think I regret allowing you to marry Frank.
Mama, I regret it more than
What kind of
I regret it. You talked me into marrying him.
In that time he had money now. He was a prince then.
Which prince?
I didn't know he was going to end up like this. Hey, Mama, this is not it.
Hey, looking for an exit.
So it's teaching like a career for you?
No, not really. I'm actually serving at the moment, so it's like a part-time.
Oh, you're serving, your youth service?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Part-time job. Are you enjoying it?
At first, no, but the moment I met Beauty and how smart she is and other kids like her,
Yeah.
I got so entangled.
Oh, wow, that's great. She's told me lots about you. And
really?
Thank you very much for being there for her.
It's fine, it's fine.
She's a genius. She's a very bright
so
kid.
smart.
Yeah,
She's so bright.
Yeah.
I also told her to always try and focus in class, but she's been having some little moments of...
I know,
Frank.
she gets emotional.
Frank!
Flora, hi. How are
Is this
you?
your mechanic workshop?
Huh?
This is your mechanic workshop.
What do you mean?
Frank, you're not even hiding your infidelity anymore.
Infidelity?
Hey, please hold your greetings. Who is this prostitute? Eh? Who is this Ochakomaka?
Flora.
No. Is she lighter than me? Is she lighter than I am? Answer me. Is she finer than I am?
Flora,
no, Frank. No, it's fine. No, don't worry. First to do, no the pain. First to do, no the pain.
What are you talking about?
Let it be on record that I caught you with an ashawo in an open space.
Jesus Christ.
Don't
Flora.
worry. First to do, no the thing. It's on record though. I saw both of you. I caught you.
I think I should be on my way.
You said?
I think I should be on my way.
On your way?
Yeah. Have a nice day, Mr. Frank.
I said I saw them. I saw Frank kissing this teacher. Hey, Frank! Hey! Frank too is cheating. Hey,
Are you serious?
Someone that I'm managing. Frank that I'm managing.
Hey! Men are pigs. Chineke me.
Mama, hey.
So that's where he lavished all the small money he's getting from that mechanic work.
Exactly. And every day he rubs it in. I paid for ransom. He paid for ransom.
Mama.
Frank! I thought you were different, Frank. Not knowing you are the worst animal on earth. What is wrong with you?
I'm not going to tolerate that disrespect from you anymore. Do you understand me? If my wife and I have an issue, allow us to solve it. You need to watch your mouth, ma.
See?
And I'm not going to tolerate this disrespect.
My friend, don't talk to my mother like that. After kissing again, you're coming here to insult my mother. You should be ashamed of yourself, Frank. Look at you. Penny you don't have, but you know how to kiss someone on the road. Abi? Or queer? Don't dare me, oh. Don't dare me, Frank. And don't talk to my mother like that. If not, you won't like what I will do to you. Don't try me next time. Mama, let's go, Biko. Don't try it, oh.
Jet, where go?
You try to hit me?
Go and make money, or jam when Jego. Go and make money and be a man. Money makes you a man. Go and make money. Or jam when Jego.
This is the opportunity I have been waiting for. I can't wait to start living my life exactly how I want it. And if Frank ever complains about my new change in attitude, I will tell him that this is what he gets for being a cheat.
Flora, the hour has come for you to open up your own business. But before then, I need to introduce you to one big-time politician. Someone who will take care of your business, who will be able to help you. You know, when people see you with him, they will think that he's the one that's opened the business for you. Yeah. So I'm going to do that.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This is exactly what I need right now. A rich politician who will take care of me and spoil me silly. Not that furniture I have as a husband. He can't do nothing.
You know what? I'm going to give you his number. I already told him about you.
Are you serious?
Yeah. So let me call out his number for you. Where's the phone?
Thank you.
Are you there? 080.
Okay.
36.
Give me your sweet. Wow. I wasn't expecting this performance from you. I swear, baby girl. When you came here, I said, wow, this doll is sweet. But man, after all this, whoa. If you took me to the... I wouldn't know where you took me to.
Chief, you flatter me.
You're a sweet baby, I'm sure.
Thank you.
Yeah. Boy, my imagination is wow now. Talk to me. What do I give to you for this beautiful thing you've done for me? You must took me from my skin, baby girl.
Chief. I appreciate your kind gesture.
Thank you.
But the thing is, I am not a prostitute.
No, baby, no. I didn't say that, I swear. I just want to appreciate you for this beautiful, wonderful performance. A little talking to appreciate this gorgeous baby. Tell me anything.
Anything?
Anything I said.
A car?
A car?
I want a car.
Just a car? You got it.
Chief.
I said so.
I don't understand. Wait, you mean you asked Chief to get you a car? And he accepted just like that?
Just like that. Just like that. I mean, it still feels like a dream to me. Me, car owner. Hey! I wasn't even the one who asked for it, but he insisted.
Are you serious?
Yes, he insisted. And I even told him, well, Chief, I am not a prostitute. I mean, we can't possibly, finish making love and the next thing is you're asking me what I want. Or that. I felt like a prostitute, but Oga insisted. Chief was telling me not to worry, say your mind, whatever you want, I'll do it for you. I'm ready to take care of you. I said, okay, since you insist, I need a car. And just like that, Chief said, consider it done.
Abeg, which perfume you spray? Which soap you use?
Hey, because I cannot wait to see that car.
I cannot wait to see the kind of car Chief is going to get for you, because I know that man has a very high taste when it comes to luxurious car. I'm telling you, Chief has money now. He's a rich man. He's an influential man. So you see? So now tell me, if Chief gets you this car, are you going to park it here or where?
Before, Uncle. Where else do you expect me to park it?
You park it here?
Hey, I am going to park my car in this house. In fact, I want Frank to see the new car and hit his head on the wall. Now, a fellow man buy the car for me, so I want him to see it. There is enough space here now. See space. Beg go.
Hey, my girl.
My house.
I beg also from you. So tell me, what if he asks you about, the car, how you got the car and all of that?
Sonia,
what will you tell him?
Please, enough. Which one is it? What if he asks me?
Of course, he will definitely ask you.
At this point, I think I owe Frank no explanation. I don't owe him any explanation whatsoever. It's my car. In all honesty, I'm even looking for a way so that he will chase me out of this house. I need my freedom.
I beg God so for me. Because I don't understand again. Hey, I don't understand though.
My girl son become a car owner.
Congratulations, I can't wait to see the car tomorrow.
It has become crystal clear that you are allergic to a soft and good life. What has Sonia done to you? No, tell me, what has Sonia done to you? Listen, you have no rights. No rights whatsoever to restrict me from people I want to associate with.
Oh, okay. All I'm saying is, that lady is not a friend. She is not a friend. She is a homebreaker, and I do not want anybody to break my home. And Flora, do I remind you that I'm the man of this house, and anything I say stands?
Frank, it will never happen.
We shall see.
It will never happen.
We shall see.
Sonia that has been of help to this family.
Who cares?
Hey, it will never happen.
Who cares?
Let me tell you, from all indications, it is clear that you have failed woefully in your responsibilities as a man. Hence, your home is already destroyed. So, don't hate on Sonia. She is not the cause of your problem. All you do now is just mere seeking of relevance, which I will not give to you.
We shall see.
I will not give it.
Are you walking out on me? Are you walking out on me? Mama, you see? I'm happy this is happening right in front of you.
Close your mouth. Keep quiet. You're just ranting up and down like a pregnant woman. What is your problem? Is my daughter the cause of your misfortune? Why can't you allow her to drink water and keep cup in peace? And you go and make money and be like other men.
Mama,
go and make money.
Is this all you have to say? Okay. Now I totally understand where this is coming
What
from.
do you want me to say?
She learnt everything from you.
I should support you.
She learnt everything from you.
Should I support you?
Like mother, like daughter. Look at the woman you're raising. I'm so ashamed.
I should support you. And chase away or no, come back, come and better ways with me. Come and start battering words with an old woman. Don't go and make money.
Her heart is deceitful. Don't dine with her. Okay, Open danger. Don't play with her at all. Okay, her heart is deceitful. Don't show her love. Okay, she's not a pretty child of love. At all. She's not a pretty child of love. At all. Sure, you don't see her character. I don't see her. No money movement. Her heart is strong. She not the talk love. Her heart is strong. Her heart is strong. She not the talk love. Dining, whining with an enemy, playing, loving an enemy. Oh, thinking that this is peace of mind, thinking that this is happiness, but she no send their dollar. Give her the cash, she gon' show you love. But when cash finish, she gon' show you how to look alive. Her heart is deceitful. Don't dine with her. Okay, open danger. Don't play with her at all. Okay, her heart is deceitful. Don't show her love. Okay, she's not a pretty child of love. At all. She's not a pretty child of love. At all. Sure, you don't see her character. I don't see her. No money movement. Her heart is strong. She not the talk love. Her heart is strong. Her heart is strong. She not the talk love. You call yourself a mother. What kind of mother are you? Oh, you are disappointment.
Flora, we need to talk.
What are we talking about this time?
We have two things to talk about. One, your mother. I feel her time in this house is up. She needs to leave. Secondly, the car parked outside. Who's the owner of the car?
It's my car. I bought it. In fact, it's a gift from a rich friend.
Flora, what do I believe? Is it your car or you got the car from a rich friend? Which one?
All of the above.
So you have the money to buy that type of car and we hardly feed in this house. My business went completely down. You know the cause. We can't even pay our daughter's school fees. And you can buy a car? Are you serious? How heartless can you be? I'm talking to you.
Frank, please. You're shouting. You're disturbing the poor neighborhood. Please. By the way, what do you mean by my mother will leave this house? Hey, that will not happen, no. My mother will leave when she wants. She would stay up until she's ready to leave and at her convenience. She's not going anywhere until she says so.
We shall see.
Okay.
Okuna Gwaragi Kingswood Ejikwana Yabuebu. What your father told you, Kingswood, don't play with it. Makonya Gejefi Walugwa Adirama Inu Naboketa Bulia. On the end and see sitting down. Even if you like, Climb on top of tree, you can never see it. Oburoke when sirida, Bukamboya siato. Wabo, Ejere pa Jezebel, Monaya bio. Ejere pa Jezebel. I brought this upon myself. I brought this upon myself. Jezebel, if I'm in my work on if I'm in Tiwa, Jezebel, she's worse than Jezebel. How we can just to Jezebel. Never where am I? Okuna baraki mwamu echikwana ya kuwewu. What your father told you, please don't play with it. I brought this upon myself. I brought this upon myself. Jezebel, if I'm in my work on if I'm in Tiwa, Jezebel, she's worse than Jezebel.
You are the real Odogun. Oh, Chief, you have made me proud.
I'm good, that's good. Thank
You have made me the envy of every woman in this town.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Chief,
Mm-hmm.
you need to see the way people cluster around my car. People now take pictures with my car. Me. Hey! Chief, thank you so much.
Okay.
You are the best.
Thank you. Thank you. You're the best too. Do I need to tell you that you haven't seen anything yet? This is just the tip of the iceberg. Yeah. 1 year later, after 1 year from today, changing that car to a bigger and a better one.
Chief, do you want my kidney? What do you want from me? You want to change my car after 1 year?
365 days, baby girl. I'm changing the car to a bigger and a better one.
May God sent.
Thank you. Thank you. That's good.
Cute.
Yeah, that reminds me. What did he say when he saw that car? I'm your husband.
That one. That broke one. Well, what do you think he will say? He has nothing to say. A poor man has no say. I mean, he's been jealous. He's been, putting up this long face. But who cares? If he had the money, he would have bought it for me. But unfortunately, he does not have it.
Oh, really? It's okay. But I want you to get this thing straight. That I'm dating you, catching on the cruise doesn't mean you should disrespect your husband. And that does not give me any right to belittle him. He's still your husband. You see, in Africa, if a man cannot take care of his family, his ego is bruised, and that could make him think sometimes or do certain things you wouldn't like. Having said that, I want to help him through you. Yeah, you told me his business was doing well until life happened to him and everything collapsed, and now he's not doing well. Yeah, because of you, I want to help him. But this is it. Don't tell him I did anything. Don't mention my name. I'm just going to do it through you. I want him to love you the way he did Abinisha, after we've never met. So, what do you think I can do for him through you? Yeah. He's a man like me. I can feel his pains. Baby girl, it's not in the place of an African woman to be the breadwinner of the home.
And that is what I am.
Fine, now that is why I want to help him through you. What can I do for him?
Chief, this one heavy for my mouth.
It's okay.
Are you human?
Very human. You know, flesh and blood, baby girl.
If you insist. If you insist, Chief.
Come on.
20 million naira is okay for him.
You sure about that?
Does he have a choice?
I'll make it 30. Yeah. 30 million. Give it to him. Let him go back to his business. And please, nothing about me should be known. And I'm transferring the money right now. Yeah. And I'm doing the transfer right now. If you want a man, just give me a account details. Yeah, now. I've seen I have some meetings, I don't want to forget about it. Yeah. Nice one.
Chief gave me 13 million naira for Frank to start all over again. Ha. That useless husband of mine. Should I give him this money? Or should I pocket it for myself? But what if Chief finds out? What if he finds out? But wait a second. Who will actually tell Chief? No. Who would tell Chief that I kept the money for myself? Nobody. I will not give him a kobo. Me? I will not give Frank a kobo out of this money.
Flora, I'm trying to understand you. What do you mean you don't have 50,000 naira? You don't have 50,000, yet you bought an expensive car. I was told you own a boutique and a supermarket. Who's giving you all this money? Which man are you sleeping with? Our daughter can't even pay her school fees, yet you're living a luxurious life. Who are you sleeping with? God help you. Let me catch you with anybody.
I don't even know what to say. Where do I start? Which of the questions do I answer first? You asked who gave me money for my supermarket and boutique. You went ahead and asked who bought my car. And you're also requesting for beauty school fees.
I don't have strength to answer all these questions, though. Eziokwu, honestly.
You don't have the strength, right?
I don't have the strength to answer to all of these questions.
Okay.
Besides, it is not my duty to provide for our daughter's school fees. The Bible made us to understand that a man is the provider. The Bible said it, so not Flora. I don't have money.
So what is this? What are we doing? Is this not supposed to be a partnership? Are you not supposed to be a supportive wife? You're driving an expensive car, yet your daughter cannot pay her school fees. You're very wicked.
Hey, you said something. You said something about the man that's this, that. I hope you don't catch me with any man. Have I ever done anything that would warrant you to suspect me? Have you caught me with any man?
Okay.
Has anyone told you that they caught me in a hotel with a man?
We shall see.
And so why are you bringing a man into this?
I'll catch you very soon. Don't worry.
If they beat you from head to toe, can you provide 50,000 naira?
Nem, you called me that you have something to say to me.
Yes, Mama. You see, the other day you sounded really down. Your energy was so low. You were really sad because of your business. You said business was slow. You talked and complained about your business. This particular business is giving you stress, Mama.
Thing is, I actually need money to add to my business. And the name, if you can help me with some money, I'll be very happy. Eh? Pico.
Mama, why am I making money? No, tell me, why am I making money? All my money is for you. Eh? If I don't give you money, who else will enjoy this money that I'm making? Yeah, this is how I like to see you now. What's up, This is a sum of 600,000 naira.
Hey!
The sum of 600,000, Mama.
Chimo!
Add it to your business.
Abugi mama. Ego bodo yiva. Hey! Nim, Imene, thank you. Hey!
I know.
Nah, as I was saying, things are really hard. Eh?
Don't worry. God will provide. God will provide,
it's really
Mama.
hard.
It is such a sad situation that I don't even have any to give to you.
Ogum.
What are you hiding? Hide! I saw everything. You're hiding something. What's that?
Where is it?
Flora, is this how wicked you are? Flora, give me a response. Answer me. Is this how wicked you are? Flora, so you have 600,000 naira to give to your mother, but you don't have common 50,000 naira to pay your daughter's school fees. Flora, answer me! You have 600,000 to give to your mother for business, but you don't have common 50,000 to pay your daughter's school fees. God will judge you. Flora, God will judge you! My in-law, you're a wicked woman. Like mother, like daughter. Look at the woman you raised. No respect. No regard for her husband. God will judge you. God will judge you. God will judge you. God will judge you.
Frank, you're beating my mother.
God will judge you.
Frank, you're beating my mother.
God will judge you.
Frank.
Both of you.
Frank, you're beating my mother.
God will judge you.
Frank!
God will punish you.
Frank, you hit me.
God will judge you.
Hey, Frank! Even my late husband has never laid hands on me. He said he will walk away. Frank, you hit me. Omuna will hear of it.
God will judge both of you.
They will hear of it.
God will
Frank,
judge
you
you.
hit me.
God will judge you.
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
God will judge you.
And judge you too. Oh man, fighting two women. Hey!
Is she the one that is supposed to give you more money to pay for your daughter's school fees? Why is this man this useless? Is she supposed to give you money? You should be ashamed! Hey! She's the one that will give you money to pay for your daughter's school fees. Hey! Nigga!
Mama, why are you shouting my name?
Nigga, I'm looking for my money. The money your sister gave to me, 200,000 is missing from it. Where is my money?
200,000. I took it now.
You what?
I took it.
What do you mean you took the money? What for?
Well, that time that Sister Flora was kidnapped, I borrowed her husband 200,000 naira so that he can add to the one he had.
How is that my business?
For Sister's release now. Now that she is back and she has money. Although I don't know where that money is coming from. But I've taken my money back.
Eh? Taking what money back? Am I the one you borrowed money to? Did you give me any money? Come, let me tell you. Go and bring my money. I have something very important I want to do with that money.
Mama,
don't let me deal with you in this house. What is your problem?
Mama, it's not possible. You know that thing you are saying now is not possible. Mama, if you want your money, you know your way back to the city. Carry the remaining change in that bag. Use it and enter bus. Go to the city and collect your money. Mama, please, I have somewhere important to go. Good day.
Neka, don't come back to this house without that money, oh. Because this house is not going to contain the both of us. What kind of thing is this, eh? It has gotten to the end. Don't come back to this house with that money. You see what I will do to you. Hey! Dare you to this child now, eh? Hey! Oh!
Somebody just dropped you off now. Who was that man?
Biko Frank, you don't own me again.
I don't own you.
I am on my own now.
Are you serious?
Did
I not marry you?
Marry who?
So you be cheating on me?
I beg.
You be cheating on me? Yes? You be cheating on me? Are you mad? Are you mad? Come out here. Are you mad? I have no right. Who was that man? 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 Idiot. Prostitute. Rubbish.
Frank, you slapped me! You slapped me! He's inside. He's inside! Move it! I want to hear him scream! I want to hear him scream! I can't hear him scream, you know! I can't hear him scream! I can't hear him! What? If I slap you now, eh? What?
Dad, you're beating Dad.
Were you not there when he slapped me? Were you not there when he slapped me? Your father beats me blue black if I slap him on my face. Hi.
Let's go.
How far?
Done.
Good. I'll send your balance.
Who is it to you?
It's my father.
And who brought him here?
I personally.
So what about your mother?
I don't know where she is. She hired some boys to beat up my dad, but I haven't seen her since then.
I don't understand. You mean your mother hired some boys to do this to you? See me in my office.
Okay, sir.
Your story is so sad and so pathetic. And what about your father's parents or even relation? Because your father's condition is very critical and I need an elderly person who I can talk to.
I don't know anybody. I've never been to my father's village since my birth. Some time ago, my father told me that he's a prince and his father is the king of their kingdom. But something happened and his father disowned him.
This is serious. But I need someone elderly I can talk to. Your father's situation is not something you can handle.
But, doctor, will my father be fine?
Well, we'll do our best to make sure that he's fine, okay? His condition is very critical and I need an elderly person who I can talk to, okay? He'll be fine.
Auntie, are you okay? What are you doing here? Why didn't you come to school today?
Auntie, my dad is in the hospital. He's very sick.
What? What's happened?
Well, he fought my mom and my mom hired some boys to come beat him up. I don't even know if my dad is alive, but the doctor said he needs to speak with an adult person.
The doctor said that? Okay, you just have to wait here, okay? I need to go in and sort things out so I can follow you to the hospital. Just give me a second, okay?
Auntie, please be fast.
Oh, I'm coming, okay? Hold on.
Young lady, who are you and what are you doing, young man?
Sir, my name is Cynthia. Beauty's teacher and family friend.
Okay. Are you aware they are having issues in the family?
He told me about it, but I didn't pay attention to it because I just felt it's what happens in every family. I never knew it was that serious until the day I saw him on the road and his wife met us there. Doctor, you wouldn't believe the amount of insults this lady rained on me. She was so abusive. Then today I saw Beauty and she explained everything to me. Doctor, please, what exactly is the problem?
Well, you have to help this little girl find the family of the man. His condition is very bad because his spinal cord was affected.
What?
And it warrants him being taken abroad, India to be precise. And that will be costing around 10 to 12 million naira.
Doctor! 12 million naira? Doctor, where are they supposed to get this money from? I mean, how?
Well, that's the only option we have here if he must be saved. But I can help because of the little girl administer some drugs to him from the hospital. But the ones that we don't have here in the hospital, you have to get it outside. And whatever you're doing, you have to be fast about it because he's in a very critical condition.
Thank you so much, Doctor, for your contribution. Thank you. But what if we involve the police? I mean, we arrest the lady and she can provide who did this to him, the boys she hired, and also come and take care of the her husband. Is that not a good idea?
Well, if you have money to pursue the case, it's fine. But I would suggest you use the money in treating this man because of the condition. Because some of these policemen out there, they might collect bribe from the victim and squash the case. So I suggest we divert the money to his treatment because of the condition he's in.
Flora, seriously, you went too far. You went too far. What if those guys have killed him? Or what if the police are looking for you to arrest you? Yes! Don't you know that if that man dies, they will charge you for murder case. Or if he survived it, they will charge you for attempting murder. Which is not making sense. Is that what you want for yourself? Seriously, I don't like this for you. You would have just left the house after the fight or quit the marriage. Eh? You know this has been our plan right from day one. What is your problem?
Why are you crying more than the bereaved? Why are you taking Panadol on another's headache? Why? Hey. By the way, who will call police for me? No, who? Tell me. Okay, fine. Let's even assume that it happened. Babe, are you forgetting something? Your friend home money. Your friend is now a millionaire. I go use money cover the case now. I go use money close the case. But 10 million naira will solve everything. I go use 10 million naira. Fling for police their faces. Case closed. Hey, I beg.
What about your daughter Beauty?
Now she sabi. I am the one with the money. Her father is broke. So, your guess is as good as mine. She will come with me. When I'm ready for her, I'll go bundle her out.
And with the way she's close with her father, you think she will listen to you?
Then let her remain with her wretched father. Let her remain with her broke father. I don't understand. Why do you want to spoil my evening? I beg. It's okay. Enough, please.
Go on. Sorry, oh.
Hello?
Okunna gwaragi King's word ejikwana ya buwebu. What your father told you, King's word, don't play with it. Makonya kejefi walugwa adirama inu na boketa bulia. What the elder sees sitting down. Even if you like, climb on top of tree, you can never see it. Oburoke when sirida, bukamboya siato. Mwabo, ejere mpano jesibe, mona ya bilio. I brought this upon myself. I brought this upon myself. If I'm in my work, if I'm in Tiwa, she's worse than Jezebel. Her wickedness is too much on us.
Said your friend stuff. And your mother did all that to him.
Yes, sir. As it is now, I'm not even sure if my dad is going to make it.
No, my daughter, don't talk like that. Your father must make it. Nothing will happen to him in Jesus' name. Amen. Nothing will happen to him. He must make it. Eh? Wait, see. I will follow you people to the hospital now. I want to know his health condition. Okay, then I will know what to do. Just wait for me. Let me change.
Alright, sir. Thank you.
Doctor, please, my name is Iman. That man lying down at that waterfall by name Frank is my best friend. My daughter and her friend came to my workshop and told me everything that happened. So what do we do? I want to take my friend out of this place.
Mr. Emma, the way you sound shows that they did not actually tell you the problem your friend has.
What happened? I don't understand.
Well, at the cause of the boys beating him, his spinal cord was affected. And it will require him being flown to India for immediate treatment. And that will cost around 10 to 12 million naira.
What? Spinal cord? India? 12 million naira? can we get that kind of money in this whole world?
Well, that's the only solution. And we need to do something fast. Though I promised to administer the drugs we have here in the hospital for the meantime because of the little daughter. But you need to be flown immediately for immediate treatment.
Doc, it's okay, I've had you. Thank you so much for your concern. Something must be done. That fool, that woman cannot go scot-free. She must pay for the crime of this thing she committed. Or better still, she must come here and cater for the expenses of what she has caused. What is all this? She must pay for the crime.
Sir, just hold on. Are you even sure the police will do something about it? Can they do something?
Even the police cannot do anything about it, but let it be on record that this incident happened and we reported the matter to the police.
How can we even involve his family? I mean, at least they're supposed to know something happened to their son by now.
That is the problem. I don't even know his place. Though his father is the king of their community. But the problem is that he's not in good terms with his father and his father disowned him. So you see, there's a problem here. He's not in good terms with his parents. That's a problem.
Okay, fine. Since we can't involve the family, can we just think about something to do now? Like, we need to do something about the situation now.
Something to do. It's alright. We must do something. But the problem is, what is that thing we should do? That's the problem. You got it up. 12 million naira. Do you have it?
You mean you're not coming with me? You will die here. Oh. You will die in this house. Hunger will finish you. You had better go in there and pack your things and follow me. By the way, what will you be doing here alone?
So this is the reason why you wanted to kill my father? So you could run away? My dad is lying lifelessly at the hospital because of you and those criminals. And all you could think about is running away. You didn't even go and see him. Let me tell you something. If anything happens to my father, any single thing, I will find you, no matter where you're hiding. I will.
Hey, God, I beg. Look at the spoilt brat. You're nothing but a spoilt brat. But you know what? You can die here for all I care. Look at this fool I'm trying to help.
There's nothing you want to show me. After what you did to my father, it proved that you're a devil and a heartless woman. And I don't need your help. I'd rather stay here and die than to follow you. Well, you can call your criminals to come and beat me up, just like you did.
You know what? I'm done. I'm done with you and your stupid, silly, broke-ass father. I don't have time for this your nonsense. Eh? You can stay back.
You call yourself a mother. What kind of mother are you? you are disappointment to motherhood. You call yourself a wife, oh, but you're more than a knife. Onye jidori bu, onye jidori teacher. Her heart is deceitful. Don't dine with her. Okay, baby, danger. Don't play with her at all. Okay, baby. Her heart is deceitful. Don't show her love.
Madam Flora, why did you decide to send some group of bad boys to beat up your husband up to the point of taking his life? What prompted your action? Where can we find those boys?
Boys? Me? Sent boys to beat up my husband? Officer, take a good look at me. Do I look like someone who can hurt a fly? Officer, this is totally false. This accusation is totally false. It is shocking to me. It is not true, officer.
Okay, since you claim it is not true, I want to know the truth. Tell me the truth.
Hey, I will tell you nothing but the truth, officer. My husband had some financial problems at some point in our marriage. In fact, his business collapsed. But one of my friends came to our rescue. She took a loan on my behalf. That loan made me open, that loan gave me money to open my boutique and supermarket business. All of a sudden, my husband wanted the business for himself, saying that it's a family business. He wanted the business for himself. Officer, is that fair? But I refused. Then one night, he tried to take the documents by force. I refused. I fought him. I chased him around the house. And in the process of running, he slipped. And something heavy hit him on his lungs. That was how he got the injury. That was how he sustained that injury. I have nothing to do with it, officer. I'm telling you nothing but the truth. That is exactly what happened. Hi.
Madam Flora.
Officer.
If after our investigation I discover that all what you just said are all lies, I will pursue the case. I will personally jail you. This is a promise.
Officer, they are all lies. I am shocked myself. Hey! Officer, the truth is, you don't even need to do any investigation. You don't have to do any investigation again because it will be a waste of your resources. Officer, I would suggest we bury this case because there is no case here. It's a false accusation. Officer, I have something for you and the boys actually. I don't know if you can give me your account number. Let me send you the sum of 500,000 naira. I would like you to do lunch with it.
Well, Madam Flora, I really appreciate it, but I hope you are not trying to bribe me.
No! Bribe? No, officer. I just said it here that I want to do lunch for you and the boys.
Well, I will appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Hi.
IPO, to be frank with you, I am not happy with you. I am not happy. Few hours ago, I was passing in front of that woman's shop, that woman's supermarket. I saw her sitting in front of her shop, drinking beer. So that is why we are here to ask you why you asked that woman to go without hearing from us. IPO, as I speak with you now, that woman's husband is lying at the hospital, half dead.
And what is the meaning of that? Are you trying to teach me my job? Sir, I can't keep her here more than 24 hours without any evidence against her. If you want me to carry out with the investigation, mobilize me and my men, boost our morale, then we'll do so.
Wait. If I want you to carry out with the investigation, I should boost your morale. I should boost your morale. Okay, no problem. So, how much are we talking about?
For the fueling and boosting the team morale, maybe I think it's 400,000.
Eh? 400 what? 400,000 naira.
Please, if you cannot go by it, use the door.
Wait. 400,000 for an ordinary investigation.
No, I should use my salary to do investigation.
No, that money is too much now. The money is too much.
Sir, use the door. I'm done, you can go.
You heard him. He said we should go and look for 400,000 for investigation. Ordinary investigation. No problem. But we have to go. Let's go and see what we can do. No
now you are talking.
Sir,
My baby girl. Okay, good.
I'm fine now.
Okay. I like that. You're fine now.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful. That reminds me. I actually wanted to ask you when I called earlier. How about your husband? Did you give him the money and how did he feel?
Chief. Pardon my manners.
You didn't know you.
I ought to have given you a feedback.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry.
It's alright, my love.
Anyway,
Talk to me.
I did as you instructed.
Okay.
But I had to tell him that the money was coming from somewhere. I told him that one of my uncles, who has been away for the longest, came back to the country, summoned all his relatives, and shared huge sum of money to all of us.
Okay.
And he said to me, hey, how do I see this, your uncle? No. This is not a kind of money that someone would give and I don't go to say thank you. I need to see this. I told him, Oga, relax. My uncle has gone back. He was like, oh no. In fact, Chief, to cut the long story short, my husband has traveled to China.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
A nice one. That's all I just wanted to hear. I'm sure by the time the business picks up, he'll be happy with you. You'll be happy. The family will be happy.
Oh no, by the time he comes back. Hey, by the time he comes back from China with his goods,
Good.
I'm sure he'll bounce back.
Bye.
But I'm not leaving you. I am not leaving you. Even if he becomes a billionaire tomorrow, Chief, I die here. I die here.
You think
The
I wanna
real
leave?
Zaddy.
That thing I'll give you.
I know you won't leave
Bad
me.
child. It's okay. So talk to me about your supermarket.
Where do I begin? Chief, sometimes I just take time to walk around my boutique and supermarket. And do you know the thing that keeps popping into my head? Is this Chief Martins a human being? Is he a human being? My mates used to have 10 destiny helpers, but me, God just brought one for me. Bam! And he's changed my life. Chief, you're the best. You're the real Zaddy. The real Odogu. Chief, you're the best thing that's happened to me.
It's okay. Just relax. Anything at all. You want anything, just let me know. Just put a full color. A full color.
I die here.
You die.
I die here.
Cynthia, what do you do about the money the doctor said we should bring for the drugs? He said that he doesn't have the drugs in this hospital. And we need some money for food too.
The school authority gave 100,000 naira. Then I'm going to add 70,000 naira from my own pocket to that. Yes.
That's good. I like that. And I'll add 100,000 from my own pocket. I'll add 100,000. But that's a problem. What would about this small girl, Beauty? I think you should take her to your house. At least she will be coming from the hospital, from your house to the hospital. And your eyes will also be on her.
It's okay, so I'll do that. Yes.
Okay. I think, what's the time?
It's 4 o'clock.
Yes, classic.
Okay, sir. 4 o'clock.
Go to the supermarket department. Tell the cashier to get all the cash ready. We're going to the bank now to fix them. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
By the way, how much is there?
We have up to 3,580,000.
This on your shiny eyes like this, you had better count that money properly.
Okay, ma'am.
What are you doing here?
So mom, you're enjoying while dad is dying in the hospital because of you.
You haven't yet answered my question. What are you doing in my boutique?
Okay, fine. I need some money for dad's drugs and food. And most importantly, the doctor said his spinal cord got damaged. So we need money for his treatment. So
I don't have any money. I don't have any money for your father or you. The only time I will give you a penny is only when you come stay with me. That is the only time you will get a kobo from me. Besides, I am no longer married to your father. So I don't owe him anything. He is not my responsibility, okay? You had better start going before customers start coming. I don't want them to see you like this. Look how unkempt you look. Beauty! Come, let me take care of you. You know what? Hanlele, start going. Leave my boutique. I don't want my customers to see you like this before you tell them you're my daughter. Get out.
Why?
Get out. Now. Go! Look how unkempt you look. What is wrong with this girl? Gosh. Frank, spinal cord game. Hey, you never start.
Beauty, my daughter, how are you? What is the problem? I heard your father had an accident and was rushed to the hospital. How is he now? I hope he's better now. You are not talking. You don't want to talk to me. By the way, why didn't you come to live with your mother? So that you can enjoy life. Eh? Whoever sees you like this knows that you are suffering with that man, your father. Hope to come and live with your mother and enjoy. You don't want to talk to your grandma. Eh? That one is your business. So.
Beauty, come. Where are you coming from?
I went somewhere.
You went somewhere? What about the drugs I told you the doctor said you should get for your father this morning? Eh? Up till now, your father has not taken that drug. Eh? What about that fair auntie and that brother that used to help you? I've not seen them since morning.
They went to work. They don't know about the drugs. But they'll soon be here.
You people should hurry up. You people should better hurry up. It's very risky for your father not to take in that drug since morning till this time. I know what I'm saying, no. Ha! I know what I'm saying.
Nurse, please, is there something you can do?
Something like what?
Can you give him the drugs then? I'll pay him later.
Hmm? You know that I like you. I wish I could. There's nothing I can do, my dear. Besides, I'm not paying you this month. Just call them. Call that fair brother and that my fair sister and that brother to help you out. Okay? It is well.
How much is my dad's drugs?
Around 2,700.
Okay, where can I get it?
Just go down the pharmacy down the street.
Okay,
Thank you. Down the street. Thank God. I'm so happy for her.
What is the meaning of this madness? You want to kill yourself?
I'm so sorry,
Can't
sir.
you look at the road very well before crossing?
I'm so sorry. My dad is actually in the hospital and I was just trying to get him his drugs.
Your dad is actually... What is happening to your dad?
I was actually absent-minded. My dad is very sick and I just wanted to get him his drugs.
Your dad is sick. What is wrong with your dad? Talk to me. What is wrong with your dad? Which of the hospital?
Somewhere down there.
I got the car, let's go. Come and show me the hospital. Are you scared? Come, don't worry, come. Come, let's go. Doctor, are you trying to tell me that his wife did all this to him and abandoned him?
The doctor is here, you can ask her. At least she witnessed everything.
Yes, uncle. Everything he said is true. Everything happened before my eyes.
And they said he must be taken to India before he can be well.
Yes.
You know what? I will help him. Though I based in China. But since you, the doctor, said that taking him to India will make him well, I don't have a choice. I will sponsor the trip.
Thank you, uncle. Thank you so much. You never lied. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
It's nothing. Stand up. Stand up. Okay? Stand up. It's okay.
Thank you.
Let's proceed. So,
no problem. I'll make the necessary arrangements immediately.
Alright. Hope you're fine.
Thank you.
You mean the woman did that to her husband? Abandoned him in the hospital to die?
Dad, I'm still in shock. I mean, how could someone who called herself a wife do all that to her husband? Dad, is that not wickedness?
Some women are like that. You just pray not to fall into the hands of such women. But it's okay. What are your plans? What do you want to do now?
Dad, I have decided to help the man. If not for anything, for the sake of his little daughter, who has been crying, suffering with him in the hospital.
Meanwhile, Dad will be leaving for India tomorrow for the treatment, sir.
That's good. I like that. Like I said before, you have my support, full support. Anything you think I can do for all of you.
Daddy, thank you very much for the opportunity.
I'm glad you inherited that from me. A nice one. See, like the Bible says, when you help the needy, the poor, the orphans, the widows, you are lending to the Lord. And anyhow, somehow, He pays you. Beautiful one. It's alright. Since you will be traveling tomorrow, when you're back, I want to see the young man. I want to have a word with him. I want to know him better.
That is not a problem, sir.
Sure. You have a safe trip. I'll see you guys when you come.
Thank you, sir.
These are okay.
Thank you, sir.
I wish you safe.
Sir, please, you people should not worry, okay?
Yeah.
And it will be better when you get to India. And meanwhile, we'll be leaving tomorrow. As you can see, it's an emergency. You know, at least don't allow this little girl to feel bored, please. So for that reason, I will drop some money for you guys so that you can be taking care of her.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Please do everything possible to make her happy till her father comes back.
Paul.
Sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
And then we'll make sure she's fine. We'll take good care of her, don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Once more, I want to say thank you for this move you want to make. And I pray that as soon as you people get to India, he will be fine. In
Perfect.
Jesus' name.
Amen.
Thank you so much.
Fine, perfect. All right.
Please let me get this straight. You mean the woman you married? The one you call your wife? The one you spent your money on? Collapsed your business? And even went as far as taking a loan with their own house so she could be released from the kidnappers den. Did all this to you? Carlos, how is it possible?
Well, it's quite unfortunate. I strongly believe she was influenced by one of her friends called Sonia.
Yes.
I mean, my daughter witnessed everything. You can ask her.
Yes, sir, I did.
Sonia.
Yes, Sonia.
It's not like it's any of my business though, but talk to me. This heartless woman you call your wife, what's her name?
Her name is Flora.
Flora?
Flora, yeah.
Flora. Sonia. Please, just a minute. Let me confirm something. I need to check on something.
I missed you.
Hi, Chief.
Chief. This is very unlike you. I mean,
I'm good. I called you here to have one or two discussions with you. I'll go straight to the point. I'll start with your family. How is your family? How is your husband? Lately, you have not told me about his business. I'm inquisitive.
Chief, my husband is okay. I mean, he's been traveling around the world from one country to another with the 30 million naira on a business trip. And my daughter, she's gone back to school. All thanks to you.
Flora, I'll be specific about this. Did you give your husband the 30 million naira I asked you to give to him?
Chief, I just told you that my husband has been globetrotting all over the world. And that's because of the same 30 million naira you gave me to give to him.
Yeah.
Yes. He's been importing things from all over the world. From China, Germany, a whole lot, Chief. And like I said, all thanks to you. So yes, the answer is yes, I gave him the 30 million naira. Not even a dime was remitted out of that money. Everything was given to him.
Yeah.
It's all right.
But Chief, I really don't understand the sudden, interest you have with this money, because the other time you...
Son, you can come in. Mr. Frank, is that the woman we'll be talking about, your wife?
Yes, that's Flora, my wife. And that's her friend.
I want to ask you, in his presence now, did you give him the 30 million naira I asked you to give to him to boost his business?
Yes or no?
30 million naira?
Yes.
You gave her?
Gave her 30 million naira to assist the business.
And she hid it from me?
She's here. Is that difficult to ask? You just told me yes. I wanted to say it in his face.
I'm sorry, Chief.
30 million naira.
No.
Yes. She told me that your business crumbled because so many things happened. And I gave her 30 million to assist your business. See, we are friends. I bought you a very beautiful and expensive car. I did all I could to assist you and your family. And I gave you such amount of money to give to him, and you heard it. Now, I know I didn't give you the money to start in your boutique and your supermarket. I want to know where you got the money from. If you got a loan from the bank, I want to see the documents with which you secured such a facility. Otherwise, I have every reason to believe that you and your friend here have a hand in the kidnap saga.
No, Chief, not at all. I can't do such a thing to my darling husband. I didn't do it.
Excuse me.
I can't possibly be a part of a kidnapping syndicate. It's not in my character, Chief. Yes, I agree. I messed up by not giving him the 30 million naira. But kidnapping, I can't, Chief. You see something? Chief, I didn't do it.
It's okay, we'll find out.
I didn't do it, Chief. Chief, we didn't do it.
It's okay. Hello. Please, you can come in now.
Believe me,
Good day, Chief. Yes, you're welcome. See, officer, I want you to take these two ladies to the police station and get them thoroughly investigated. I have every reason to believe that they have a hand in the kidnap case.
No, Chief, no. Maybe I did not.
Excuse me,
I didn't do.
Inspector John. You are under arrest, and you have the right to remain silent for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Move it. Hey! Get up!
Chief.
Hey! Get up.
Chief, no.
Please. Move! I said move! Don't talk! Move, fetch yourself. Hey! Get your food, get your food. Take your back.
Chief, you know what you did, Chief.
Man, this is... I'll go back to you, Chief. I want you to tell me the exact day you were kidnapped and the day you were released from the den of the kidnappers.
I was kidnapped on 26th of March 2025. That's approximately 1 year and 4 months now.
Okay.
My husband paid the ransom on 16th of April.
Okay.
And that was the exact day I was released.
Okay, so tell me, before the day you were kidnapped, how much was in your bank accounts?
I had 101,000 naira.
101,000. Now tell me, how come the very day that ransom was paid, 140 million naira was deposited into your accounts? Which business did you do that gave you such amount of money? And was your husband aware of such money? Speak! Now let me remind you that I have spoken with your friend Sonia, so don't dare lie to me. Talk!
Officer, you know what? We can sort this out, please.
You can sort what out? How dare you, evil woman? How dare you plot such kidnap against the man you called your husband? How can you be this evil? Now let me tell you, in 2 days' time, you, your friend, and those gang of kidnappers, all of you are going to court, and justice must be served.
Officer, please. Officer, I can...
Officer Chooks! Come and take this thing out of my face! Now!
Okwuna gwara gị Kingswood ejikwana ya bụ egwu.
Cynthia, I know this is quite unusual, but I have to do what I must do. First, I'd like to thank you for your kindness. I'd like to thank you for taking care of my daughter and I. I love her so much. She means the world to me. When she's happy, I'm happy. And guess what? She's always happy around you because you're a good person. And I tell people that when you find a good person, keep them close. Cynthia, will you marry me?
Say yes, say yes. Yes. Yes, yes.
Wow. Wow.
Thank you.
This is a beautiful one. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
I'm indeed very happy for you today.
Thank you, Chief.
I must say this is the day the Lord has made for you.
Exactly.
And we're all grateful here.
Right.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Like I said before, everything is coming back to you right now.
Right.
The court case was in your favor.
Right.
You've regained everything that was stolen from you by that heartless woman. I'm happy for you. I'll say it 1,000 times. This is a lesson every young man should learn out there. You don't just marry because of beauty.
Right.
I believe Mr. Frank married his ex-wife because of her physical beauty. Obviously, she's a beautiful woman, and I know Mr. Frank was carried away. It's a lesson every young man must learn. You don't marry physical beauty. You marry character. Marry the inner heart. Having said that, while we were talking earlier, you told me about the Igwe, your father.
Right.
I want you to go back to her. Yeah. You go home, ask for his forgiveness, and obtain his blessing for this new home you're about to build. And I'm sure he will forgive you. He's a father. And before you go, I can do and I will do everything within my power to assist you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dad.
In line with that, I'm going to give you a letter, a personal letter addressed to Igwe. Try to explain so many things you may not be able to explain to him, or he may not believe. And I'm sure when he sees the letter and you apologize to him, everything will back up. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
I'm very happy for you. Congratulations. 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 And mother, congratulations. How beautiful daughter. Congratulations.
What your father told you, Kingswood, don't play with it.
It's okay. We have heard your painful stories. Thank God she and her friend have been exposed. You're welcome back home.
Thank you.
And everything will be fine.
Thank you very much.
You will never go through such thing again. Welcome. Your children are here. Please, forgive your son for their sake. Thank God he has realized his mistake. And I know he will never do such a thing again. Please, forgive him. I'm happy he now has a very beautiful and a very intelligent girl as a wife to be.
Thank you very much, Queen of Umwalo. You have spoken very well.
And may the gods continue to guide and protect you.
Sorry, Father.
Please forgive me.
Okuna Baraki Kingswood Echikwana Yabuewo. What your father told you, Kingswood, don't play with it. Makonya Gejefi Walukwa Adirama Inu Naboketa Bulia. On the other sea, sitting down. Even if you like, climb on top of tree, you can never see it. Oburoke Bwensirida Bukamboya Siato Wabo. I brought this upon myself. I brought this upon myself. If I'm in my work, if I'm in Tiwa, she's worse than Jezebel. Our wicked is too much now.